3 weeks.
Lordship. Much obliged.
You are there. Mr. P.N. Sharmalan, Standing Council Elements, LLE is present.
Much obliged.
May I please? Officer?
Yes.
During the pendency of the contempt petition, Your Lordship, respondent number 1 and 2 left their position. So we have filed a petition for implementing
Okay.
4 and 5.
Heard Mr.
And Upadhyay.
N.N. Upadhyay, Council for the applicant. This is an application seeking implement of two implements of
1 and 2.
implement of the principal secretary within bracket T of the Maharashtra Autonomous Council and chief engineer within bracket water PHE Assam Angrabari as alleged contemner on the ground that the earlier incumbents have already the earlier incumbents public alleged contemner are no longer in the post. List of next paragraph. Where is the application and the grounds for implement? Next paragraph. Having considered that the alleged contemner have either no longer holding the post of principal secretary within bracket T, the Maharashtra Council, and the post of and POSTS, chief engineer within bracket water PHE Assam. Of the considered with that the party list contemner sought to be implemented. No, the parties sought to be implemented. The parties which are sought to be implemented are the incumbent, the present incumbents of the post, which post accordingly they are required to be implemented in the proceedings. Accordingly, the signs are 4 and 5 signs are hereby allowed to be implemented at least container number 4 and 5. You give the number. I stands allowed and disposed of in view of the order was in so and so, then consumed in contemplation to take steps for service of notice upon respondent newly implemented at least container number 4 and 5. Within 2 working days. List the matter after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
May I please? Lordship. In item 3, my lord, an affidavit was to be filed.
Ah.
My lord, in terms of the last order, the initial appointment was supposed to be placed on record by way of an affidavit. I'm thanking for a very short accommodation, my lord, although on earlier occasion also I took adjournment, but 7 days time.
My lord, these are 2020 matters, my lord.
Okay.
And kindly see out of
Mr. B. Gupta, learned H. B. Kumar,
My lord.
learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para, Mr. H. Gupta, learned CGC, submits that an affidavit as regards the initial appointment
Initial appointment.
are required to be brought on record by name and what is it? An affidavit. No, the initial appointments of the petitioners are required to be brought on record by an affidavit, Mr. therefore press for a short accommodation. Mr. Next paragraph, considering so as to enable him to file affidavit, a required affidavit, Mr. Considering the nature of issue involved in this proceedings, the initial appointments of the petitioners would be required. This accordingly, as prayed for by the learned CJC, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks. And I mean, so as to enable him to file the required affidavit.
My lord, my prayer before Lord, sir, any date after 2 weeks, my lord, 2020 matters, my lord.
Doesn't matter. Let
2020
him,
matters.
let him file. We'll see.
My lord. Thank you, Lord.
You are still working.
Yes, ma'am.
You are still serving.
Yes, ma'am. Item 6.
Yes. It was restored. And then last occasion, when the matter was called for twice, parties
Petitioner was
remains
not there.
unrepresented. So dismiss karna hai. None appears for the petitioner on call. It is noticed that this writ petition was restored to file by an order dated 27/04/2026, as the same was dismissed for non-prosecution. Mr. When the matter was listed on 20/07/2026, the parties remains unrepresented despite the matter was called twice. Mr. In view of above, it appears that the petitioner is no longer interested to, petitioners are no longer interested to pursue this matter. Accordingly, petitioner stands dismissed for non-prosecution. Mr.
K.A. Sodial.
Yes.
K.A. Sodial.
K.A.
A. Sodial.
Learned Counsel.
Sodial.
For
For respondent 3 and 5.
the Bora, Learned Standing Council. Learned State Council for Respondent 1 and 2, as well as Mr.
K.A. Sodial.
K. Sodial, Learned Council for Respondent 3 and
5.
5 are present.
Item 7.
May it please, your Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, there is an appeal pending.
that has not been disposed of.
Sorry?
Writ appeal has not been disposed of.
Yes, Lordship. It is.
Okay. It is submitted at the bar that the similar matter is pending before the division bench, being WA number 37 of 2026. Therefore, praise that the matter may be listed after, and therefore MS
And Begum.
and
Begum.
Begum, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, and Mr. P.N. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel,
Elementary laws.
Elementary Education. Praise for listing of the matter. Praise for adjournment of the matter. Pending disposal of the said writ appeal, aforesaid writ appeal. And we have let this matter be listed. After 4 weeks.
After 4 weeks.
Much obligation.
May it please your lordship, we have received an affidavit in opposition last Friday, which is not on record. So my lord may fix the matter after 2 weeks.
Not in. Where is the document? It is submitted by MS
P. Talukdar.
P. Talukdar, counsel for the petitioner, that she has received a copy of the affidavit of opposition filed by the respondents, to which she would like to bring on record, to which she would like to file affidavit in reply. Listed. However, the said affidavit stated to have been filed is not placed with the report. Mr. Registry to verify, and if the affidavit is filed, you take the matter, the affidavit with the record. MS
RDB.
RDB, Learned Standing Council, Learned CGC is present. You have filed the affidavit.
Yes, lord.
List the matter after 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks,
Please, oblast.
3 weeks.
If there was a direction to make payment to the education and health department also.
Yes. Higher education. Who has to pay?
Lordship, it is the higher education also. Lordship, I think error is on their part, Lordship, because he is receiving salary in that, not salary, Lordship, pension in that account itself, Lordship.
Which account?
This account, which they have said there is
Hey,
some
this is
anomaly.
person, you
This is
find what's wrong with you furnishing your thing?
Lordship, I will give it 1 week time, Lordship.
Will dispose of
No, Lordship.
in view of this. Will direct you to submit
No,
the
Lordship. No, Lordship.
this. Why?
This is the third round of litigation, Lordship. They will not pay, Lordship.
Why they'll not pay? We'll direct them to pay. If the moment you submit
That
the,
was there, Lordship. That was already there. They had filed a contempt petition, Lordship. Still there. That was not
you have
paid.
paid this.
Lordship, I have read this, Lordship.
How can there be a operation of the that person's account? They cannot.
No, Lordship. In that person, Urmila Devi's account, money is being received by her, the pension amounts, Lordship. How can they now say that this is not applicable? Lordship may allow me to
Making
take.
the things complicated. We'll direct them to.
No, Lordship. Lordship may give me 1 week's time, Lordship.
Why?
I will verify
Where?
from Urmila Devi. I will place document before this.
Wait,
honorable court,
nothing,
Lordship.
nothing.
I will
We'll
probe
not-
before this
what
honorable
else
court,
we'll
Lordship.
say? We'll say that we'll have to, we'll direct them to pay it again. Same thing. We'll direct today.
But Lordship, I think anomaly is on their part. It will continue,
It's
Lordship.
all right. What's wrong? You furnishing the bank account of
Lordship,
yours?
that is why, Lordship. Let me let the
What
court-
is there?
honorable court
What's
give me
the
some time, Lordship.
problem?
No, Lordship.
You
Honorable-
cannot punish your, submit your
I
bank
had
account.
submitted, Lordship. They have made some anomaly, Lordship.
So when read petition, what can we do? Suppose if you say that you have submitted, they have not done.
Lordship, I will verify, Lordship, that I have rightly submitted, Lordship. I will verify, I will.
So every lawyer will think that you never,
One
no
big
lawyer
time,
will
Lordship,
think that,
this is,
no
this-
lawyer, no lawyer will think that he
No,
submits
no,
wrongly.
no, Lordship, I find it hard to believe them, Lordship. Very
And this
difficult
is
to believe
something
them, Lordship.
by
Still,
the-
Lordship, there was an order to make payment of the full amount that was not paid. We filed a contempt, Lordship. Then also that was not paid. Same amount, Lordship. Now this is the third round of litigation, Lordship. Same amount. One or the other reason, Lordship, they are not paid.
So now we'll direct them. Where is that earlier?
Lordship, earlier order I will place, Lordship. There was,
Unnecessary, you are keeping it pending would not do
Lordship, there was a
justice to the
specific
litigant.
order, Lordship, to make payment.
You want the payment, we'll direct them to pay within.
That order was already there, Lordship. In spite of that, I had to file a contempt
That
because they were
contempt
not
is no
paying.
longer here now, sir. Is there contempt?
Lordship may,
Are we dealing with the contempt
Lordship
order,
may
sir?
come to page 67. Same thing, Lordship. Same thing will happen, Lordship.
Then-
Page 67.
Then what can we do? What can we do then in that sense, in the
Lordship,
writ petition?
If Lordship grants me 1 week or 10 days time, Lordship, I will show that they have made some anomalies, Lordship. Anomalies from on their part, Lordship. Same amount, Lordship, page 67. There was a direction to pay this amount, Lordship.
Huh?
Page 67.
Sanction amount of rupees be paid to the within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt. The authority department says each other should not create any other one. The writ petition changes.
Then, Lordship, I filed a contempt, Lordship. In the
Then,
contempt case, they said that this is not the amount is something different.
then,
Then, Lordship, I again filed this writ, Lordship. In the writ, while the writ was pending, Lordship, some amount part payment had been made in the same account, now, which they are now saying is not applicable to her. Same amount they had paid. Now today they say that that amount, account is, Lordship, something is wrong with that account. Same account, Lordship. She is receiving her pension. She has received part payment there. Now today they are saying that this is the wrong account, Lordship. Something fishy, Lordship.
it's not wrong foundation that the deceased husband. See,
But
you
how
read
can
it.
it be, Lordship?
You read it, has been approved by, but the government then instructed the official then to submit the bank account details of claimant Sri Urmila Devi instead of deceased employee led so and so. According this office to requested the register so to furnish the same by this order. Register submitted the account details of the late debtors and not of the claimant by the order dated so and so.
I will bring the account, Lordship, and place it before this honorable court,
Therefore,
Lordship.
this,
The passbook, Lordship.
what do you want? Are you disputing the amount now?
No, not disputing the amount. Amount has been granted by this honorable court, Lordship. But regarding payment, Lordship, in all practical purposes, they will not pay, Lordship.
Please read it.
Lordship, I know, Lordship. I have heard that. I heard that the petitioner told me, Lordship, that this is the same account in which I have been receiving the pension. I had received the part payment of this related to this case. And the rest of the amount they are not paying, saying that there is something wrong because it is in her husband's name. No longer husband is no longer there, Lordship. Urmila Devi is receiving in her account, Lordship. Something is wrong with them also, Lordship. Or they had taken some old records, Lordship. I will place the passbook, Lordship. Lordship may give me 1 week, Lordship. I will place the passbook before this honorable court.
How do you know that it has been placed before they were not interested to see the passbook?
Lordship, but they had placed it, Lordship. They said that this is wrong. This passbook is wrong. This belongs to
Not
the dead person, Lordship.
that is by the registrar, not by you. They have asked the registrar, and they furnished the account of this this is husband.
Lordship, how do we believe that it is true,
now
Lordship?
they want that your the account number should be submitted. That's all.
Should I place a new account, Lordship, to them, Lordship? Why should I?
Whether
Lordship?
new or old.
Why should the one that in which I am receiving my salary, my pension?
Why you are so? I mean,
No, Lordship,
it's just
because
an
this is
ego
a
only.
kind of litigation, Lordship.
That's why you are just an ego. Now, what can we do? Whatever has gone,
Lordship,
gone.
1 week won't harm, Lordship.
It's not a question of harming. What's your issue? No use keeping it pending. What order will pass
But this
after
will
1
continue,
week?
but this will continue.
No,
I
after
can
1
issue
week,
the court
after
date.
1 week, what will order will pass?
Order, Lordship will say that this is the account, something is wrong with them, Lordship. They have to verify, Lordship.
Again?
Again, they will make the payment and they will place it before dishonorable court because there is an order that you place it. Lordship may see there was an order to make
So the
payment within
question
2
of
days.
your placing the passbook, you have to give the account number.
Yeah, Lordship.
That's all.
Lordship, I have given it.
When? So as that when did you give?
Lordship, I had given it and
When? So as any documents that you have
this they
given?
have brought today, Lordship. How can I say when I have given? When I have been receiving the pension, Lordship, I have given it to them. I had been receiving the pension
See,
there,
this is
Lordship, in that same account.
this communication is 9th of August.
Lordship,
See, we are more interested to grant a relief to the petitioner as soon as she can receive it without going into all this unnecessary thing. That is my view. But if you insist,
Lordship
you
may
submit within 1 week, we'll direct them to pay within the next.
Lordship, that is what I am saying, Lordship.
Yes.
I will submit it, Lordship, then Lordship will pass the order, Lordship. I will
Not
submit
before
within-
us. You submit them. What's wrong? You give the account number. That's all.
Lordship had gone through-
We'll request you to submit the account number to the authorities. The moment on receipt of the account number, they'll release. I mean, they'll transfer or release it or pay it within another 1 week.
Lordship, if they do not do, again I come with a contempt case. Is that so, Lordship?
Then,
Lordship may see
Then
page
if you-
67, there is an
But
order. In page 67, there is an order. Lordship has already
the
seen.
manner of your submission is that suppose tomorrow, if after 1 week, if we pass the order,
Lordship.
they'll comply, and if we pass today, they will not comply.
No, Lordship, that is not.
Same thing will happen
No,
after 1
that is
week.
not the thing, Lordship.
Huh.
Lordship may see their attitude, Lordship, what they do,
What
Lordship.
can we do in the?
Lordship,
What?
Lordship, last request, Lordship, page 71, Lordship.
Huh.
There is an order in page 67,
Okay,
which Lordship
if you
has
are-
seen.
We're more of, thinking of the interest of the litigant.
Lordship,
You want
maybe
to
page
keep the matter
71, Lordship.
unnecessary pending. It's okay.
Lordship, may see page
But
70,
Mr.
Lordship, for one moment, page 71 may be Paris, Lordship.
Oh, what?
Because there was a direction that within 2 weeks you comply with the direction contained in the order so and so, which
Then
Lordship
what
had
you
already
have
seen.
done?
They had
They
not
have
paid.
not complied.
They didn't comply.
Then,
Then they had filed their contempt case, Lordship.
yes, then,
And then also they had not paid, Lordship. They said
Then-
the amount is less.
then,
I came before this honorable court.
then,
Honorable court said that no, everything was correct in the first instance itself.
yes, then,
You pay this amount.
yes, then,
Time has gone by. On the last occasion, it was told to them that you pay it or otherwise.
where's
if
the
you do
contempt?
not pay,
The contempt is listed today.
no, Lordship, contempt was disposed of.
Then,
I filed a writ, Lordship,
yes.
challenging that order, which they had passed that this is not the total amount.
Now they said that they are ready to
They
pay.
did not say that, Lordship.
Ah.
Court say
Huh?
that you pay the full amount.
Then,
Now they have come with this letter, Lordship.
So they are complying. Its only problem is you have not, they are not having your account
That
number.
is not the problem. They are lying, Lordship.
Then what can we do? What should we do? You tell us.
Lordship, I will bring the,
Let us not only go for a problem. Come, you give us a solution also.
Lordship, I will prove that.
If they are lying, what can we do? We're supposed to pass an order. Tell us.
Lordship, I will bring the account number and Lordship will record that in this account number, you have been paying the pension, you have been paying the part payment of this thing, of this issue, Lordship, that is medical reimbursement. You have made the part payment. Now you say in the same account, you cannot pay.
Although the Mr.
Yes, that's my lord.
S. Das Learned Standing Council
Higher education.
Higher Education has placed the communication from the Deputy Director of Higher Education, Assam, which reflects that the respondent authorities are ready to pay the claim amount of the petitioner, being the medical reimbursement
Lordship,
in respect of her her deceased husband. But due to due to non-availability of account details of the petitioner, same could not be paid. It is stated that the respondent authority has requested the registered Bhattadev University to furnish the account details of the petitioner. However, the register has furnished the detailed accounts of the late husband of the petitioner. Therefore, has again requested the register of the said university to furnish the detailed accounts of the claimant public petitioner. Comma, the Mr.
and Bhagavati.
Huh?
Myself also, and
Yes.
Bhagavati.
Bhagavati, learned counsel but petitioner strenuously urged that matter may be listed after 3 weeks, as the petitioner and as the respondents are lying in view of the fact that the petitioner receiving the pension amount
Lordship,
in respect of
and
her
part
husband
payment also
in the
of this medical reimbursement.
in her bank account. List of this court, having heard the learned counsel parties, is of the considered view that no useful purpose would be served if the matter is kept pending unnecessarily, as it would not be interest of the litigant as a petitioner. However, on the vehement, on the insistence of learned counsel for the petitioner, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Much over.
This is something, sir.
Lordship,
Bhagavati, you
I
have to
understand, Lordship.
understand.
I understand, Lordship. It is,
You and me, we and you, I and you, were for the litigants.
Lordship, I also know that it should not be kept
This
pending, Lordship. I also
unnecessary-
understand, Lordship, that thing, Lordship. But the situation is such.
Next time we'll again adjourn. They will again ask the adjournment. It is a justice.
Lordship, I know because of their attitude, Lordship, what
Not-
they have been doing, Lordship.
Not
A
happy.
person dead, Lordship. He was in cancer, Lordship. 5 lakh 7.
That's why I want to dispose it today. What's wrong? You punish the
Once
details
it
of
was
the
disposed
account
of,
number.
saying
Account.
the same amount. Once it was disposed of, Lordship, I had to claim for contempt, Lordship. Again, it will be disposed of today, Lordship. Again, I will have to come for contempt with a contempt case, Lordship. Same thing. It will go on happening, recurring, Lordship. It will be recurring, Lordship. Same thing will happen again and again. They will not pay, Lordship. And medical reimbursement case, if your Lordship knows, Lordship, this continues, Lordship, in medical
Mr.
reimbursement case.
Bhagavati, I am not solved. Thank you.
That's all right.
I will hear some instructions are awaited, madam.
Hmm.
After
You are for
I'm for respondent number 1 to 5.
1 to 5. Affidavit has been filed.
No, madam.
What is the matter about?
Petitioner was dismissed from removed from the services.
Removed.
Right.
Dismissed or removed?
Removed, no.
Post of from the post age,
I'm sorry, madam.
age.
Age of the petitioner. Petitioner, from the petition, that is.
Which post?
50. Post.
Helper. What do you want today?
No, I'm seeking some accommodation today, madam. So instructions are awaited here. You like-
Non appears for the petitioner on call. Is spread for by Mr. P.K. Munir,
Fine.
Learned Standing Council of what?
Assam Khadi and Village Industries Board.
Assam Khadi and Village Industries. Respondent, Assam Khadi and Village Industries. What I said, is spread for. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. In the meantime, respondents to file their affidavit in opposition.
I may pray, madam, can it be 4 weeks, madam?
4 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
May it please your lordship, my lord, I am sorry to mention, but item number 6, my lord, I
Ah.
got up on a few late, my lord.
Huh?
Item number 6, my lord, that was dismissed for
We have dismissed.
non-proceeding.
You file
Only
an
that, my
application.
lord.
Huh?
Only, my lord, that order may
I've
be,
dismissed.
my lord.
You
that-
file an application again.
My lord,
Last occasion also you have not
Yes, my
appeared.
lord, I am.
And it
admitting,
was
my lord.
called twice.
No, my lord, the next time, only, my lord, that may be.
Are
removed.
you really interested to pursue? What is the matter about?
My lord, really matter about regarding the, my lord, revision of a skill, my lord, of the petitioners, my lord. In fact, they have working in a, my lord, of society and flying club, my lord. Assam flying club, my lord.
From and pay enhancement of what?
My lord,
Will enhance you.
my lord,
State.
director
a
of sports,
society.
director of sports and my lord, youth welfare
How can?
department, my
It's
lord.
a society only.
No, yes, my lord, but from the very.
Are you ready? You will hear the matter
Yes,
today.
ma'am. If after
2 o'clock.
Ye-
And you 6.
Highly
2
ob-
o'clock.
highly
The
ob-
writ petition will be dismissed.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the writ petitioners approached this honorable court with a grievance that the school was hold for the sake of provincialization on the ground that the school does not have any land in its name. And on the last occasion, I sought permission from this honorable court to bring documents on record which shows that the school holds the land since the year 1992, your lordship. If lordship will produce the additional affidavit,
It's your private land.
yes, the said land was not mine, it was a principal, and he gifted the said land in the name of the school in the year 1992 by way of registered gift deed. Thereafter, the name was respectively enrolled in the Sitha copy also, as well as in the Patta also was issued in the name of the school, your lordship. Now, the claim of the government's elementary education said that the land was registered in the year 2022 only. So I have submitted sufficient documents to prove that the school holds 4 bighas of land in its name since the year 1992, your lordship. So they cannot hold the school for the claim by claiming that the school does not hold any land in its name. That is my case, your honor.
So what do you want?
I want that a direction may be given that the school may be processed accordingly
What process?
for the sake of provincialization.
Lordship, here, Lordship, kindly pay the last order, Lordship.
Hmm.
There is a dispute regarding that land, Lordship, because there was a direction to file an affidavit to the
You
government.
would file an affidavit, bring on record documents pertaining then on which the school in question is presently valid.
Did
The
affidavits
instruction
on record,
furnished
your
by GVS has been produced by this court in the same instance.
Last one.
You have filed the affidavit?
Yes, your lordship.
Saying
It is
what?
of record.
Saying
Flag
what?
A. It is placed in flag A, your lordship, additional affidavit, wherein annexure E, your lordship, I have annexed the translated copy as well as a registered copy of the gift deed, your lordship, which is in vernacular language. The gift deed, by way of this gift deed, the original owner donated the said property in the name of the school, your lordship.
Yes,
In the
private land,
Yes,
private land.
that was his private land and he donated the land to the school, your lordship.
Then,
Annexure E, your lordship, page number 37.
now why you had to file this, bring on this report? What is their stand?
They said that the school got the land in its name in the year 2022 only.
Then,
But I have given sufficient document to show that the school holds the land in its name since the year 1992, your lordship. So direction may be given that the school may be processed accordingly for provincialization.
how can we say so? Until the dispute is
Lordship,
clear.
that
They may
dispute has to
clarify
be
it, whether the
this particular-
document submitted is,
Huh?
clarified by the government, Lordship.
let them clarify.
It has to be clarified by the government as regard the land title and possession, Lordship.
You clarify now.
I will file my affidavit, lordship, by 2 weeks.
Huh?
I will file my affidavit, lordship. Clarifying the facts, lordship.
Your rejection is what?
It is not rejected. It kept on
The
hold.
rejection was on the ground that as per section 3111 demands that for provincialization of a school, the land title has to be clear on or before 1st January 2006. However, the record which was submitted by the petitioner's school during the time of provincialization, the land was mutated only in 2022. There is a dispute of mutation of the land. The title of the land vested on the school only in 2022, whereas the provision demands it has to be from 1st January 2006. So there is a dispute. That dispute has to be clarified by the government after verification of the land record.
Your lordship, one thing is to be considered here that the entire thing of provincialization was started in the year
Government file
2016 or
affidavit,
18.
clarifying everything.
Then how someone can deposit a document which belongs to 2022, your lordship?
The petitioner has filed an additional affidavit, let the government
And
clarify.
those documents which I have presented today before this honorable court, that was already submitted before the department long back. But instead of acting on this document, they are delaying this case, your honor.
Lordship, on 24/4/2026, Lordship, the order, Lordship, may kindly queries. There is a direction to file an affidavit to the government. To bring
No,
on
it
record.
was I took time to file affidavits.
No.
Okay, heard MS
Person furnished, Mr.
K.
Chief.
Jain.
KJ Learned Counsel for the petitioners who submits that an additional affidavit has been filed. Showing the affidavit has been filed. Additional affidavit is been filed by bringing on record the land on which the land which was gifted by which was already gifted,
To the school.
on which the school in question is presently operating. School in question is running, huh? List of the Mr. P. N. Sharma, Learned Counsel, Standing Counsel,
Elementary, Lordship.
Elementary Education, and MS Escort, Learned State Council submits that since the disputes pertains to mutation of the land as claimed by the petitioner, and the state has the record that the same was mutated in the year 2022 only. Praise for bringing on record by an affidavit. This stuff. considering the issue involved in this present proceedings, the affidavit, the state of the state would be required. Listed accordingly. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks for filing by affidavit of opposition on behalf of the state respondents.
A date may kindly be given.
List after 3 weeks. Let them file first.
Deeply obliged.
May, please, your lordship. My lord, notice was issued, but 2004, unfortunately, the matter was not listed, my lord. And respondent have also not filed affidavit.
What is the matter?
Matter relating to my lord old pension, they have given me a new pension, and this is a stipendiary teacher. There is a judgment of the coordinate bench.
Or Mr. N. Bora, London Council for the petition.
Purnima Horror's case, my lord.
Next para. Huh?
Purnima, one coordinate bench is Purnima Horror stipendiary
Okay.
teacher.
Is prayed for by Mr.
Vitalukra.
Vital London
Council.
Standing Council,
Standing Council Elementary Education.
Elementary Education. Praise for it is granted for the 3 weeks time to file.
2 weeks time,
affidavit.
but the
3
next
weeks.
year
They will
is
not
going
file.
to return. Much.
They will not file within 2 weeks. No use.
Well, that may be given, but next year he is going to retire, madam. Kindly,
Okay.
madam.
Before next year, we'll consider. We'll
Madam.
dispose of before next year.
Right, but. Well,
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in this case, on the last occasion, this honorable court allowed us to make some amendment in the petition. Lordship, I have a humble prayer, lordship. Lordship, we may be allowed to withdraw this petition with a liberty to file a fresh bill.
Mr. Doctor,
PP Medi. Lordship.
Doctor,
Lordship.
Doctor, PP Medi, London Council for the petitioner submits that he may be allowed to withdraw this petition with the liberty to file afresh. Next para, Mr.
Upadhyay.
Elupodia Land Council, Standing Council of what?
Irrigation.
Irrigation Department is present. For the respondent is present. Prayer for withdrawal is accepted. Allowed, huh? Prayer for withdrawal is allowed. Accordingly, it stands closed on withdrawal with the liberty as prayed for.
Obliged, lordship.
Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, the pleadings are complete. Lordship may put it up for hearing.
What is the matter about? Can we not dispose it of?
Pay protection and fixation.
A protection and fixation. It will require some time.
My lord.
I mean, detailed hearing would be required.
Short date, my lord, if your lordship. is-
Detailed hearing will be required.
Yes.
Ready, not ready.
Lordship, my senior will appear, Lordship, P.N. Goswami, Lord.
Heard Mr.
As from my will.
S. Sharma, Land Council for the petitioner. And also heard Mr.
A. Goswami.
A. Goswami, Land,
Lordship, for the.
So appearing on behalf
of P.N. Goswami.
Mr. P. N. Goswami, London, Additional Advocate General for the state respondents. Admit list for hearing
My lord.
after 2 weeks
My lord.
on,
Yes, my lord, if your lordship is to fix a date, my lord, that.
after 3 weeks on. You choose a date.
Next month. My lord, in the month of September, any date, my lord.
September.
My lord, obliged, my lord, obliged.
May it please your lordship, appearing on behalf of TSOM. Kindly pass over the matter for today.
Why, what's the matter?
Suspension matter.
Hmm?
On last occasion, we were directed to produce the instruction.
Ah,
I just placed the instruction, whether review of the suspension has taken place or not. So as per the latest instruction dated 3/8/2026, suspension period was reviewed
Hmm.
and extended
While all this order dated 14/5/24 and 15/8/2024.
Whether it was within
Within 90 days.
90 days.
Yes. And now the department proceeding along, everything is over.
Lordship, kindly peruse the last order.
And it has been now transmitted for final disposal before the disciplinary authority, that is the Director of Land Records. So now.
As submitted instruction, department inquiry against me has been completed, the inquiry report
Yes, sir.
submitted has been forwarded, will be. This is the age of this and disposed of, and so and so. So we have not decided.
Hello, that we, Lordship, can you see the last order?
Yes, inquiry has been forwarded.
Well,
This
it's already been sent to the government for concurrence, it has not been received. That's why that DP cannot be disposed of.
Why the concurrence is required?
Well, there is that is notification.
Once the inquiry officer submits reports, disciplinary authorities says take a call. Why government concurrence is
Well,
required?
that one notification is there. Well, only because of that notification, it has been.
Okay, tell her writ petition will be dismissed, nothing.
Your Lordship,
If it is within 30 days, 90 days,
90 days.
matter ends there,
Your Lordship, in this
after
case,
some time.
senior counsel will argue this matter.
Huh?
In this case, senior counsel will argue this matter.
Who?
RP Sharma.
After some time. No.
Next week, kindly.
After some, there's nothing. If you can show otherwise that the review has not been done within 30 days, 90 days, I'm sorry. Then we'll hear, but if not, don't trouble the senior lawyer. After some time, huh? After some time, inform her.
It is 18 and 19.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, the matter is pertaining to the quashing of departmental proceedings. The respondents have filed an affidavit in opposition. We shall find a rejoinder affidavit.
You are challenging the departmental proceedings.
Yes, Lordship.
What is the stage?
Lordship, initially he was suspended on 18/1/2025 law. And so cause was issued on 10/3/2025. And in the meantime, Lordship, he returned on 31/5/2025. In the departmental proceeding, Lordship, he has already filed his reply. So at this stage, Lordship, it is going on, Lordship, but the only difficulty is on 6 days back, Lordship, the inquiry officer has been transferred to another department, Lordship. Now we are in the process of engaging another inquiry officer, Lordship. But the difficulty of, in spite of filing the reply, Lordship, he never participated in the departmental proceeding and he ignored all the notices to appear before the authorities.
You
That
proceed.
is the stage, Lord.
The challenge basically a suspension order.
Initially suspension order, in the meantime return. Before retirement, Lordship, DP was initiated. In the second writ petition against the DP, Lord.
Against the,
Departmental process, praying for setting aside of the DP.
how can we interfere? It has been initiated before your retirement. After retirement, you have challenged the departmental proceedings. Is not it? After retirement or before?
No, prior to it.
Prior to that.
What is the ground for challenging it?
No ground, Lordship, just.
How can we interfere? So so far as the suspension is concerned, it's become infructuous.
Yes, in the meantime,
Because since he has retired
he
already.
is receiving subsistence allowance.
Ah.
So my only prayer at this stage, Lordship, we are going to engage the new inquiry officer very soon, Lordship. Let him
No,
participate.
what I'm saying is that how can he challenge the department proceedings?
Also, it was Lordship, it was challenged while he was in.
Unless there is manifest arbitrariness in initiating the proceedings.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship.
Anyway, heard Mr. No,
Ali on behalf
Mr.
of J.I. Babu.
Mr.
Ali on behalf of J.I. Babu.
N. Ali, Learned Counsel appearing on J.I. Burbuya, Learned Counsel for J.I. Burbuya, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Respondent is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Mr. P. Naik, Learned Additional Advocate General.
Yes, Lordship, for GMC authorities, Lordship.
No, then in that case, Standing Counsel GMC. Huh?
Not just one prayer, Lordship. Let him appear before the authority. Let him
And it's-
participate, Lordship.
No, no, we'll not say anything now. Standing Court GMC submits that the department proceedings against the petitioner is continuing, however, for a brief period, same is not been proceeded with on account of the transfer of the earlier
Inquiry officer.
inquiry officer, which the respondents would appoint a new inquiry officer. He also submits that the petitioner, despite receipt of notices
And despite submission of his reply,
and submission of reply, a written statement is not cooperating, rather evading the proceedings,
not cooperating by appearing before the authority.
not cooperating by appearing in the cooperating in the department proceedings. That's all, huh? That's all.
May I please? If I'm appearing for respondent number 7, I want 2 weeks time for filing available.
And Mr.
MAI, sir.
MAI Hussain Land Council Body. As spread for Mr.
J.I. Mundal.
J.
Mundal.
Mandal, Land Council for the respondent. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks, so as to enable him to file affidavit in opposition.
I'm for 1, 2, 3 and 4.
Mr. Anupadya, Land Standing Council,
1, 2, 3, 4.
Standing Council of what?
Irrigation law.
Irrigation
1,
Department.
3, 4, 5 Lord. Sorry, Lord.
1, 3, 4, 5, and Arbor Council, State Council, and Mr. C.K. Servo for responsibility are present.
I did not receive the extra copy of litigation.
Yes.
Furnish, during the course of the day.
Beg to please your lordship. Lordship, we are yet to file opposition.
Why?
We have sent it for vetting, my lord.
What is the matter about?
It's about
Petitioner before lordship are the retired person, my lord. Some pensionary benefit are yet to get, my lord.
Otherwise, are you receiving?
Earlier I received part 1 and contemplation also, there is an observation that if something is to be paid, may file a fresh petition. That is why you file this petition.
Okay, heard Mr.
BP Singh.
Huh?
BP Singha.
BP Singh. BP Singha.
Ah.
Sinha or Singha?
Sinha.
Sinha.
SINH.
Then the counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
K. Borman on behalf
K.
of
Borman, Land Council appearing on behalf of
R. Shekhar. R. Shekhar.
R.
Shekhar.
Shekhar. Land Council.
To hard press.
For respondent number?
My lord.
For respondent number?
Responding 2, my lord.
Respondent number 2. Submits that an affidavit has been sent for vetting. Therefore, prays for listening of the matter after 2 weeks.
Date may be fixed, my lord.
Accordingly, let this matter, no. Prayer for adjournment is accepted. Accordingly, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks. On the next, in the meantime, land council, state land council will respond to file the affidavit. Yeah,
Date may be fixed, my lord. Date may.
after 2 weeks, we'll see, let them file.
Chief, let me kindly be passed over for a timing.
Why?
My seniors don't make it another record.
What is the matter about?
Pardon, Your Chief?
Have you filed the legible copy of the impugn order?
Yes. Yes.
Also, on the last date, Lordship, legible copy was to bring on record, Lordship. We have bring on record, Lordship, through an affidavit, Lordship.
Heard, Mr. Not heard, Mr. No,
Mena, Lordship.
heard, Mr.
Mena, Lordship. Mena, Lordship.
Land counsel for the petitioner is present. The petitioner has filed an additional affidavit. Bring on record. As filed an additional affidavit of the additional affidavit by bringing on record a legible copy of the impugn order dated 02/09/2025 as directed by this court on 29/07/2026. List of same is taken on record. Yes,
Lordship, Mr. Mo is on leave.
Lordship, after some time, Lordship.
pleadings are complete.
Yes, Lordship.
Pleadings are complete, Lordship.
The dismissal.
No, reduction in rank as well as
Okay.
recovery.
So we'll admit a list for hearing on some fixed date so that matter can be disposed of. Mr.
A.K. Ghosh.
A.K. Ghosh, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Korlan, Additional Advocate General is present. Explain.
Lordship, on Wednesday, if possible, Lordship. There is urgency, Lordship.
Admit the petition, list for hearing. After 2 weeks on,
Lordship, date may be missing. Lordship, there is urgency,
2
Lordship.
weeks on, which date? Give us 27. 27.
Lordship, a shorter date if possible, Lordship.
27, not possible.
Right.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, the matter relates to, my lord, selection and appointment of junior engineer under the Panchayat and Rural Development Department, my lord. My lord, the petitioner responding to an advertisement, my lord, dated, my lord, 24/6/2020. Did apply, my lord, for the said post, and my lord may be pleased to find the advertisement, my lord, in my petition is at page 24, my lord.
23.
Starts at page 23, my lord. My lord, the name of the post is, my lord, is at page 24.
I am, my lord, interested in the junior engineer civil under the Panchayat and Rural Development Department. Now, my lord, the category of post had been also earmarked, my lord, in the table below, serial number 2, wherein, my lord, reserved for the economically weaker section, my lord, is 35. 35. So, my lord, I belong to that category. My lord, I did apply.
Yes.
My lord may be pleased to find that category is at page 24 and my lord, I did apply at page serial number 35. My lord, responding to my application, my lord, the department invited me and my lord, the document verification had also been carried out. And my lord, I found to be eligible and qualified under the said category. And my lord may be pleased to find my EWS certificate, my lord, which I
Where's
have.
the order of 6138 of 2022?
Yes, yes, my lord. My lord may be pleased to find that order is at page number, my lord. High Court order. One. Lord, it starts at page 43, my lord. It's 45.
Same.
My lord, similarly situated persons had been extended the benefit of the, my lord, UWS category quota. Now, my lord, herein what has happened, in my case, my lord, in this petition, I was not a party, my lord. So therefore, my lord, though I am exactly similarly situated with a similar EWS.
They will also rejected on the ground that their
Yes, my lord,
EWS certificate has expired.
has expired, my lord, and that has,
Validity.
yes, my lord, and that has been taken care of, my lord, by this honorable court in paragraph 11 of the said judgment. I just beg to draw my lordship's attention is at page 48, my lord. Page 48, my lord, paragraph 11, I am reading, my lord. The 103rd amendment of the Constitution of India had brought in the concept of the EWS from 14/1/2019 and accordingly Article 15(6) and 16(6) were incorporated. After the same amendment, the advertisement in question was published on 24/6/2020, wherein the last date for submission of the candidature was so and so. It is an admitted position that no particular format of EWS certificate was notified in the said advertisement, and the only criteria was the such certificate has to be for the financial year 2019-2020. The reason cited for rejecting the candidature of the petitioners is that the certificate submitted by them in support of the EWS, though said to be for the financial year 2019-20 was issued in the midst of the said financial year. Though in a very technical sense, a certificate for a financial year can be only after completion of the financial year and not in the midst of the same. At the same time, this court cannot be oblivious of the fact that the advertisement was published in the midst of the financial year and the last date being 30/8/2020, the certificate which were submitted by the petitioner, though is dated in the midst of the financial year 2019-20, is for the said period. This court has also noted that after the amendment of the Constitution in the year 2019, the petitioner were the first batch to apply under the aforesaid quota. This court has also noted that only in the subsequent advertisement of the year 2020, the format of EWS certificate has been given. In absence of a clear-cut certificate format, the rejection of the certificate submitted by the petitioner cannot be termed as a reasonable approach, more so when the concept itself was in a nascent stage. This court has also noted the submission which is not denied that while out of the 7 numbers of petitioners, only 6 numbers of petitioners are espousing their cause. 7 numbers of vacancies still exist in the EWS quota. This court has also noted that an interim order dated is in operation as per which the selected candidate has to be give way to the petitioners in case they are successful, which candidate that the aspect of the expiry of the select list would not rise in the instant case. The diligence of the petitioner is also demonstrated that even earlier they had filed WPC number for the aspect of publishing a select list with aggregate marks. It is not in dispute that the marks obtained by the petitioner is more than the cutoff mark, detail of which have been mentioned above. In view of the aforesaid discussion, this court is of the considered opinion that the interest of justice would be served if the benefit of EWS granted to the petitioner by accepting their candidature. The aforesaid observation is, however, confined to the peculiar facts and circumstances of the case, as the concept itself was in a very nascent stage and there was no format of the certificate. In view of the above, this writ petition is allowed by directing that the petitioners be afforded the appointment to the post of junior engineer civil in the Panchayat and Rural Development Department pursuant to the said recruitment process. It is, however, made clear that such appointment is to be made in the existing vacancies and without disturbing the appointment of the private respondents. The writ petition accordingly, my lord, stand disposed of. The interim order so and so stand merged with the final order. Now, my lord,
Where is your rejection?
yes, my lord, my rejection, my lord, may be pleased to find is at page. From the RTI, we could only come to know, my lord. My lord may be pleased to find is at page 15/7/2022, my lord, the RTI report, Fatafot Uluana.
Page 34.
My lord, kindly turn to page number 34, my lord. In inviting your RTI petition, I am directed by the commission to furnish you the following information as requested regarding the sought for petition. You are informed that the ground of rejection due to validity of EWS certificate expired.
Where these petitioners in 611 also rejected same ground?
Same ground, my lord. Same
Expired.
the earlier petition, my lord, who were given the benefit, my lord, by this honorable court has possessing the similar set of EWS certificate. my
And
lord.
what was according to them, validity of
Yes,
certificate was
validity had
expired.
also been raised for them also. and
Expired.
Expired, my lord, expired.
In respect of those petitioners who have been.
No, my lord,
granted relief.
the finding which has been, my lord, arrived at by this honorable court, my lord, the paragraph which I have just read over, my lord, is, my lord, is in connection with the said certificates, my lord.
No, this is connection is something different. Rejection is on the ground of validity or
No,
what?
validity, I know, my lord, the validity, my lord, if my lord may be pleased to take up.
What was the ground for rejection of those petitioners which you have read?
Yes, my lord, I am again, my lord,
Tell us, just tell us. You don't have to read again. Whether was rejection is on the same ground. Validity of the EWS certificate
my lord, the
being
dispute,
expired.
yes, my lord, the dispute regarding.
Are you sure?
EWS.
Are you sure?
Yes, my lord, yes, my lord. My
Huh?
lord, if my lord may be pleased to peruse the paragraph, my lord. The paragraph 46, para 2 will clarify, my lord. May I read just, my lord? As per the facts projected, the petitioners are all qualified to be appointed in the aforesaid post of junior engineer civil. An advertisement was published on so and so for civil post. The said recruitment was to be through the Assam Public Service Commission.
Okay.
Also.
What is the rejection was on the ground of validity of
the
EWS certificate being expired
yes,
or not?
Yes, my lord.
How?
My lord,
Doesn't say
my lord, may
anything.
kindly see the cause of action of that writ petition, my lord. The cause of action. The petitioner claimed to be belong to the EWS category.
It's all right. That is, I've understood.
My lord.
Whether the ground was for validity of EWS certificate on being expired or what?
Yes, my lord. That is the contention by which they had also been rejected.
Where it is?
Yes, my lord. If my lord may be pleased to
Where
find.
it is recorded?
Yes, my lord. I am referring to the paragraph. My lord, just for a moment, my lord, I am troubling my lordship with para 2, my lord. In the said selection held, the petitioner claimed to have been selected. The grievance of the petitioner is that in spite of such selections, the petitioner have not been afforded the appointment. And on the other hand, candidates who have selected less marks than the petitioner in the final select list have been given the appointment. The said candidates who have secured so and so, the Mr. So-and-so counsel at the outset has submitted that though the writ petitioner was instituted by 7, numbers of petitioners had been appointed elsewhere and is therefore not pressing so-and-so. The learned counsel, however, clarified that so far as the petitioner number 2 and 7 are concerned, the cause of action is still
No,
surviving.
it will take months to complete the reading.
My lord, may kindly.
I wanted to, I'm
Yes,
interested
my
to
lord, may
know
kindly.
whether these petitioners they were rejected on the same ground as that of you.
My lord, paragraph 8 clarify, my lord. Paragraph 8, same ground, my lord.
Read, you just tell us. Ah,
My lord, may.
you show us a line that their candidates were rejected on the ground of the validity of the certificate being expired.
My lord, I am referring to the same query to reply to satisfy my lord, paragraph 8.
You just reply, no,
Yes.
what is the same or not?
My lord, the
Then we'll
Panchayat
read.
has submitted that there is no confusion with regard to the definition of financial year, and the certificate submitted by the petitioner in support of their claim would not meet the requirement. He submitted that those such certificates were given in the midst of the year. The same could not have been valid for the same year, as the financial year would begin only 1st of April of that particular year. Sri Nayak has also relied upon the judgment dated so and so with regard to the definition of financial year. So, my lord, exactly they want to say the certificate which had been produced by those petitioners were in the midst of a financial year, and it will not be constituted as a in the satisfying the demand of the advertisement.
So therefore, there is no
now-
question of expiry.
Expiry, my lord. And
There is
here
no
is-
question of expiry.
no, here is also the same certificate, my lord. My lord, may kindly turn to page number 133 of my lord affidavit in reply, my lord. Page number 133, my lord.
Income asset candidate to be counted for economization. This is the certificate.
Yes, my lord. 133 is the certificate of a writ petitioner who approached before this honorable court with a similar set of EWS certificate my lord, holding by the present petitioner, my lord.
Is this the certificate?
Yes, my lord. Valid for the year 2019 and 20. Now, my lord,
Where does it say?
my lord, page number 133, valid for the year dated tonight, the 7th of December 2019. Now, my lord, may kindly compare my EWS certificate, my lord. Just for a moment, my lord. Page number, my lord, 33 of my writ petition, my lord. My lord, may kindly peruse similar sort, my lord, similar set. For the year 2019-2020 and year, my lord, for the financial year 2018-19. This is the year considered by them, my lord.
This has been rejected.
Now my certificate had been rejected on the ground, my lord, in the reflects in the RTI is at page number 34, my lord. Serial number 1. EWS certificate expired. My lord, and on the strength of my lordship's order, my lord, which I have referred to just now, this petitioner has already got his appointment also, my lord.
On which one?
This page number 133 candidate, my lord, has already been appointed, my lord.
Azharuddin Laskar.
My lord, page number 51
You are
of the writ petition, my lord. And I am, my lord,
Zahid Rahman Majumdar.
my lord. So, my lord, I am entitled to a similar treatment also, my lord.
Yes, sir.
My lord, I
Is
am
it
on behalf
correct?
of the, my lord, only behalf of the, my lord, PSC, my lord. The basic question is that, my lord, probably yes, rightly pointed out that thing, my lord. Your lordship kindly see is a fence sitter, my lord. After 3 years, he opposed this honorable court. This judgment was passed, my lord, long back 2024, my lord. My lord, your lordship he got the result in 2022, my lord. Now, my lord, everything has been completed, my lord. So now, my lord, government can say, my lord, whether post is available or not. And your lordship kindly see the judgment passed by this honorable court specifically stated that, my lord. I have preliminary objection, I have taken, my lord, that this is a delay because of the delay. About 3 years he is sleeping over. Now, my lord, because of that judgment, he came before this judgment. And that judgment which was passed, that is a particular judgment, there is a judgment in person, not judgment in RAM, my lord. So he cannot claim benefit of that because of the delay, my lord. There is a several judgment in this regard, my lord. Now, my lord, if he is accommodated, one has to go. Who will go? Is there any party? So already third party, my lord, right has been accrued, my lord. So that is the difficulty, my lord. So far, my lord, because we are rightly rejected because he is expired. His certificate was expired. Here in this case, my lord, all are, my lord, they are defective, although, my lord, with of the session, my lord, but correctly session was issued, my lord. It was not expired, my lord. Only one candidate, probably along with that, it was, my lord, go out. His case was not even discussed in that case, my lord. But probably because it was a good seven candidate, my lord. So that was the case, my lord. The admitted position after 3 years is a position honorable court, my lord.
But it is also admitted position, you have rejected on the same ground.
No,
Same ground,
no, my lord.
same ground.
Your lordship kindly see that your lordship has pointed out only one, my lord. But what about others? There is no discussion on that, my lord. Page 31, 131.
No, if there is no discussion, sir,
My lord, there is no discussion.
but then
But your lordship kindly see.
the relief ground, the rejection, the ground of rejection is the
But
same.
in that case, my lord,
Expiry of the
what you have-
certificate.
Only kindly see in that case, my lord, he has opposed, they have opposed this honorable court in time and there is a.
No, that is different issue. We'll come to
My
that.
lord, my lord,
So far as the concept, I mean, that's the pen sitter is concerned.
my lord.
We'll come to that.
Because already everything has been completed and yes, that case, only one certificate, my lord, that is along with them, my lord, he is also, my lord, he get the benefit, that is correct.
Same.
Same.
Rejection is same.
In
What-
case number one,
what
no,
to- huh?
his rejection is expired. And then that case, my lord, all that they are the year they have page 131, your lordship kindly see.
Hmm.
Their their year which was mentioned is correct. Financial year. It here in this case, my lord. So your lordship kindly see 131.
Hmm.
131.
Hmm.
It's valid for the year 2019-20.
Ah.
Correct. But it was issued on 19.
Hmm.
So, well, is that issued, my lord, is a financial year for 2019, which I required. Correct. But here already, my lord, here his financial is 2018, 2019.
It was issued on the same 13/11/2019,
My lord.
valid for the year 2019 and 2020. Same.
No, financial web should be previous year of the advertisement. Your advertisement was in the
No, page 133, same person.
one.
I mean, the petitioner in that case,
It was
one of the petitioners in
yes,
those
my
case.
lord. That case has been not been discussed because in that judgment, my lord, only my lord discuss of those other judgment, other candidate, my lord.
Hmm.
Because those, my lord, along with them, my lord, without discussing that, my lord, judgment is not possible. And that case, my lord, they have approached in 2024, my lord. Not 24, they have approached, my lord. 22, my lord, and there is a protection, my lord. There's some intim order was there. His approach in, my lord, 2025, my lord.
Anyway, on technicalities, sir, that would not be fair if it is on the same ground.
My
If
lord.
they have scored the required marks.
No, my lord, when process is completed, APSC cannot recommend now, my lord. When everything is
No,
been
we'll
completed.
see. So this is your ground. Otherwise, everything is same. Had he come without being delayed, without delay,
No, my
he
lord.
could have been. Is not it?
If yes, it was the same time, my lord. No. your
Not
lord,
same
it's
time.
like
Immediate. Even
but
after.
regarding expiry, my lord, regarding expiry, there is no discussion, my lord.
Ah.
Now, earlier it was a defect because of the, but although it was issued that is defect, but year was clearly mentioned. Year is my lord,
But
2019.
133, same
But
person.
one-
He has
that is
he has also been relief,
My-
granted relief. So in that sense, same thing.
No, my lord.
Same ground.
And that is why, my lord, this I am submitting before again, my lord, before your lordship. This judgment which was passed, it is a judgment in personam, not judgment in RAM. So that's the money, when it is a judgment in RAM, my lord, not in RAM, my lord, he
No,
cannot
no.
get benefit, my lord,
No, it's
right
not.
now. Because after 3 years, so
But you
many
cannot,
years.
the petitioner who is equally situated, circumstanced person cannot be denied.
But
But a
if
similar,
he approves, my lord,
similar,
third party right equal, when third party.
similar
not
relief.
Judgment, that's why I'm submitting, my lord.
Hmm.
Because I have no, if your lordship, my lord, direct me, I can recommend him, but when process is already stopped, process is already completed, can I recommend him now, my lord?
No, see, the
So
process,
he will go out, my lord.
when did you complete the process?
No, already done in 22,
Before the judgment,
22, my lord.
before this judgment which he has relied.
My lord, that is why, my lord, your lordship kindly see the judgment which was passed by this honorable court clearly mentioned that without affecting the any selected candidate, right of the selected candidate, my lord. Now, it can be, government can say whether there's poster vacancy or not, my lord. Because that is not our lookout. Our lookout just to, my lord, select the candidate and send it to the government.
I think he is entitled for similar relief.
My lord.
Entitled for similar relief.
My lord, then who will go out?
That's your lookout.
No, that is government. No, if process is completed, that government, my lord.
When the judgment was passed also, it was already a process was completed.
No, my lord. Your lordship kindly see. That is why the direction your lordship kindly see. When your lordship kindly see, when recommendation was, my lord, made to the government, my lord, and immediately they approached the court, my lord. That point of time, my lord. And there is an interim order, my lord. That is why
continue after 5 minutes.
My lord.
My lord, 54, my lord. Same nature, my lord. Page 54, my lord, paragraph 7, my lord.
54.
My writ petition. So what happened, my lord? Thereafter, lordship may peruse, my lord, paragraph 9 of the same page, my lord. Bottom, my lord. So, my lord, our society also, from the initiation of the from very beginning, my lord, functioned by the government, and all salary are paid, my lord, by the government department of the, my lord, director of the, my lord, youth welfare, my lord. So another, my lord,
You are saying will not do. This was council.
Yes, my lord. That was also registered under society, my lord.
No, State Sports Council.
Yes, my lord.
Yours is playing club.
But our also, my lord, that same registration, but that was all the function, my lord, was functioned by
Mr.
M. Hussain, my lord. And another thing is that
M. Hussain.
M. Hussain, my lord. Another
M. Hussain, Learned Counsel for the petitioner.
Another order, my lord.
And also had Mr. P. Bora, P. Bora.
1 and 2.
D. Bora, Learned Counsel for Standing Council.
No, government. State
D. Bora, Learned State Council for the respondents.
One
Admit
and-
list for hearing after 4 weeks.
I will.
Here we seek some time, Your Lordship, because we have actually misplaced the brief somehow. Our office has misplaced the brief, so I'd like to ask my learned senior friend here to provide me a copy of the writ petition so that I can get instructions.
What times the extra copies were given?
Reinstatement for against acquittal. On acquittal.
Yes, on acquittal previously. he
Heard
was-
Mr.
SD
SD Prakash, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. As prayed for by Mr. D. Bora, Learned State Council, further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in opposition.
It is better, we have sent the affidavit for getting yesterday only.
Mr.
I should remember.
I should heard Mr. I should learn counsel for the petitioner. It is submitted by Mr. Arthur Learned Standing Council for
PWD, my lord.
PWD. That the affidavit has been sent for vetting, therefore praise for listing of the matter after 3 weeks. Praise the Lord, list the matter after 3 weeks. In the meantime, respondents to file the affidavit.
If you
May it please your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, this is a case which has been filed against, so I am a constable GD with the CISF. And I filed this case because appealing against the appellate order, which has upheld my removal order, your lordship. So notice has been issued in this matter, but the respondent side is yet to file their response.
Lordship, we are waiting for instruction, Lordship.
Don't wait, ask for the instruction and file. Heard MSP Borwa, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. As prayed for by Miss MS,
A. Sharma on behalf of
A.
Mr.
Sharma.
B. Chakrabarti.
appearing on behalf of B. Chakrabarti, Learned Standing Council, Learned CJC. Further 4 weeks time is granted.
Lordship, if may lordship,
file
please,
affidavit in
please
opposition.
fix a date, your lordship, otherwise the matter doesn't get
4
listed.
weeks. This will be listed, 4 weeks. Give the date.
Date. September, if you can give the next week, 6th onwards, any day 6th onwards, 6, 7, 8.
6 is Sunday. Give
Sorry,
it.
8, 7, 8, 9, 8, March of life.
Items 64 and 65.
May it please your lordship. In this matter, your lordship, the respondents are yet to file their affidavit. Both the petitions are of similar nature, your lordship. On the
What is
last
the-
one, very first day, your lordship, the central government are yet to file their affidavit, your lordship. In 64, your lordship, all the respondents are yet to file their affidavit. In 64, the respondents are yet to file their affidavit.
Then 65.
65, the IIT has filed their affidavit, but the central government are yet to file their affidavit.
Who is for the CJC, DSGI, SCIIT?
Into 65.
Mr.
Mr. A. Das, your lordship.
That's
We have
central
government has a limited role. IIT will defend the case mostly, Lord.
But IIT said IIT said they are the main contesting party.
You
Your lordship.
obtain
In
instruction.
their affidavit, they have said they are the main contesting party, your lordship, central government.
Okay, as paid for by Mr. B. Chakrabarti, Learned CJC, further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit. in
If
opposition.
convenient, can I have a fixed date, your lordship?
Why?
Or if they from the very first day, they are yet to file their affidavit, your lordship.
What is the matter about?
Which is regarding their case of the petition are regarding change over from CPF to GPF, your lordship. Change over from CPF to GPF.
Okay. Let them file. Let them first file, we'll see.
After 3 weeks, your lordship.
7, 8 of September.
Much
9 of,
obliged.
9 of September.
9th of September. Much obliged, your lordship.
4 weeks on so and so. Huh? Board will list board will list the matter after 4 weeks on 9/09/2026.
Obliged, your lordship.
Please, them, 38 of 59.
My lord, last occasion, my lord, this honorable court directed me to file an affidavit. With regard to the compliance of the order. On or before today, my lord. And we have filed our affidavit on 7/8/2020.
saying that it has been complied with,
Complied, my lord.
where it is.
The, perhaps, the copy of the affidavit may not be in the file, my lord.
Why?
On 7/8/2026, I have filed.
On Friday,
Yes.
My lord, I have a submission in this matter, my lord. They have not complied, my lord. They have misinterpreted the order, my lord. And not the as per court's order, my lord. I have seen the affidavit, my lord. Not as per court's order, they have.
affidavit is not here.
Yes, my lord. May come after 1 week, my lord. In the meantime, I.
It is submitted by MS
Yes, word.
S. Bora. No, MS S. Bora, Land Council, when the petitioner is present. Mr.
AK Datta.
A.K. Datta, Land Council for the alleged contempt submits that an affidavit in opposition on behalf of the alleged contempt has been filed on 7/08.
7/8/2026.
Mr.
It is on record.
Copy of which the learned counsel for the petitioner has already received. Mr. How about the affidavit stated to have been filed is not available in the record. Therefore, the registry to verify if the affidavit is filed, same be tagged with the record list after 1 week.
My
What?
lord,
38, 39.
Yes.
Date, my lord.
After a week,
Date any day, my lord.
yeah.
Any day, but because
After 1 week, you just give the date, that is 17, 19. This IA is for what?
Lordship, the single judge passed the first in orders then saying that go proceeding for making false statement in the counter affidavit.
Hmm.
So Mr. H.K. Das will be appearing for the Gauhati High Court, Lordship.
Hmm.
They filed a petition, Lordship.
This IA is for what?
I is to draw proceeding, Lordship.
Okay. For filing false affidavit. For filing false affidavit.
That is the guy
Against whom?
against the person who swear the affidavit on behalf of the Assam Rifle, Lordship.
Hmm.
In fact, Lordship, we went up to the appellate court has modified the order and said that not irrespective, one contempt was filed, that will be given us liberty to file a review and the contempt will be taken up along with the review, Lordship. Anyway, Lordship,
Contempt has been,
let Mr. Das comes, Lordship.
Lordship.
contempt has already been filed.
For one contempt, not by them, by their writ petitioner.
Hmm.
And this court
So this IA in that case,
has to be, this is the order passed by the division bench, Lordship. Anyway, Lordship may fix another.
It's coming, Lordship. May take it up after some time, Lordship.
Because on the premises on which the order was passed, Lordship, taking out that he was punished for 89 days imprisonment, that was wrong. The court gave us liberty to prefer an appeal review, which we have already filed, Lordship. And the contempt which is pending should be taken up together. That was the division bench order, Lordship.
have you filed the review?
We have filed the review, yet to be listed for consideration. Let it be kept on abeyance, Lordship, till then the review is being.
When? After a week?
Come after a month, Lordship.
I'm sorry.
We'll take it after, because they have filed a review petition in terms of the order of the division bench.
Okay, my lord. Yes, yes.
And Mr. H.K. Das, then senior counsel, assisted by M.S.
D. Mohanto.
Standing counsel, Gauhati High Court, for the applicant, as well as Mr. B. Chakraborty, then counsel, learned CGC, taxpayer. Considering the, having Paris the order dated 05/08/2025 passed by the division bench of this court in WA 194 of 2023. And considering the submissions of learned CGC that a review petition has already been filed. Were not listed along with the records. So let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Fine.
3 weeks.
Fine. Fine. Deeply oppressed.
Lordship, here in this matter, learned counsel for the CGC has given me some instruction, Lordship. So I need some time to get my updated instruction based on the instructions he has received.
Now, whether complied or not.
Lordship, this order has been partially complied, Lordship, but the fund has to be released from the central government, which they have not released. But now, since they have given us a copy of the instruction, latest instruction, I need some time to get my instruction from the department.
There is fund has been released.
They say no further due is there. No due is pending, it says. So, Lordship,
You have already released.
if yes, then
And
Lordship,
the state has already consumed.
no, Lordship, that is not the.
That is the fact, my lord.
Huh?
That is the fact, in fact, my lord.
How do you know?
Because, my lord,
Are you in the department?
no, my lord, in fact, my lord, there is an order, my lord.
Okay, heard, Mr.
I am
Mr.
JC Bora, my lord, for the petitioners, my lord. For the petitioners, my lord.
BC,
JC Bora, my lord.
DC,
JC.
JC Bora, learned counsel for the petitioners. As prayed for by Mr. D. Upamani, learned counsel for the Alice contempt, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
My lord,
We'll
in fact,
consider.
if your lordship permit me that, my lord, order dated 18/2/26, your lordship may have, my lord. Because in that order, they have already received some amount, my lord, which can be, my lord, given
It's
to
okay,
these
it's a
two
contempt.
petitioners.
Either there is a compliance or there is no compliance.
Yes, ma'am.
The two willful. We'll see. We'll see. After 2 weeks, we'll see.
My lord, your lordship
Let
may
him
have
obtain
one
it.
date may be fixed, my lord.
After 3 weeks.
After 2 weeks, my lord, your lordship may have a date, my lord. Because it's a, my lord, pending matter since 2025.
It will be listed only. 26 August.
Lordship.
26.
Union is not a party in this matter, Lordship. The court's direction is that.
It's okay.
I
If
have
you are not-
received that instruction I have received, Lordship.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Yes, appeal has been filed.
Yes,
What
appeal
happened?
has been filed, your lordship, and applicant has already appeared. And it is fixing for filing of objection.
Matter was filed for continuation of delay. That is pending it, and we have filed this contempt petition. We are not aware, and number was also not registered.
So,
Come up after 2 weeks.
okay. Heard Mr.
K. Roman.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as Mr.
And sir,
M. Sharma, learned standing counsel, UCO Bank.
your lordship not standing counsel for all the respondents. They are by name there.
Learned counsel for UCO Bank for all the respondents, is agreed to by parties. Let this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
Mal.
No, please, your lordship, my series on legs, your lordship, can you pass over the matter for the time being?
Lordship, two cases are there, Lordship, 44 and 50.
Hmm.
Out of the same order passed by your Lordship, Lordship, in this case, State has decided to prefer one appeal, Lordship, and the appeal is pending before the division bench. On last Lordship, it matter was heard by the division bench on, I think, 6th or 5th, Lordship. And a prayer was made before the division bench to take the contempt cases along with the writ appeal. Court said you please tell the learned single judge to that the division bench is hearing the matters also. And on the first day itself, Lordship, they given assurance to the division bench that they will not insist the contempt case till the disposal of the appeal, Lordship. This is that ASTC petition.
You have not taken them back.
Lordship,
You have not taken them back.
no post.
Why don't, no post?
That instruction even was placed before your Lordship, that they are not working. So what I'm saying, Lordship, that the appeal method
Heard
is
MS
B. Soren.
B. Soren Learned Counsel for the petitioners and as well as Mr. P. Nayak Learned Counsel for the alleged contempt as spread for by the parties, let this matter be listed. After 3 weeks.
Lordship, that matter is fixed in the month of September, Lordship, towards the end of September.
After 4 weeks.
Lordship. Lordship.
May it please, your lordship. Lordship, it's regarding regularization of service of a petitioner. The
IS
respondent-
for what?
IS for the interim order
What interim order?
regarding the regarding the
Resume the
respondent
Respondent number 4.
four's response to the
Huh?
petition. Regarding the response of the respondent number 4, principal, he is not appearing as well as he is not following the court's order. Kindly show cause to the respondent number 4, directing the respondent number 2.
This IA for what?
I have for non-compliance of order dated 19/1/24.
You file a contempt.
Her stay is there to presume the service of
See
petition.
what this pass an order sitting aside the order issued by this. What does it mean? Writ petition is pending.
Yes.
Item 46.
Yes,
46,
Lordship, 46.
I don't know why.
The respondent are also filing affidavit, but they are not filing. They have
Why
taken
not
so
filing?
many time.
Lordship, will be filing it, your lordship.
Okay, heard Mr.
RC Alam.
RC Alam Learned Counsel by the petitioner as pressed for by
Lordship,
MS
kindly give short date.
Lordship, 3 weeks more. Your
Already,
lordship.
TT.
3 weeks more, your lordship.
no, your lordship, already so many time is given.
Your name, please.
Terang P,
Oh,
lordship.
sorry. S. Tarang Learned State Council,
Yes, your lordship.
Standing Council.
Yes, lordship. Secondary education.
Secondary education. Further 3 weeks time is granted to file.
Lordship,
affidavit.
earlier time already so many time is given.
Yes, last, we'll give one more time, one more
Okay.
chance.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, by the last order, lordship, respondents were directed to file affidavit, lordship. And moreover, lordship, for two response in both the cases, lordship, two respondents, lordship, their service await was awaited, service was awaited. So I will take fresh steps on them, lordship. But in the meantime, lordship, they are also required respondents who are present today, lordship. They are required to file the affidavit, lordship.
6 and 7.
6 and 7 in one case, lordship, and in the other, lordship, 49, it will be 5 and 6. In the present case, lordship is taking
for 6 and 7. I will take fresh steps.
And
And in the other lordship, 49, 5 and 6. I will take
Okay.
fresh steps.
as paid for by Mr.
M. Bhagawat.
M. Bhagawati, Land Council for the petitioner. A week's time is granted to take his steps for service of notice upon respondent number 6 and 7 in WPC 6180 of 2025
And 5 and
5 and 6
lordship,
in WPC
6307.
6307 of 2025. In the meantime, respondents may file their respective affidavits. Mr. Anupadhyay,
That
and
affidavit is
Standing
more
Counsel-
important.
And Counsel for Standing Counsel on Irrigation Department, and Mr.
Y.N. Mohanto for respondent number 5, Your Lordship.
M. Mohanto, Land Counsel are present.
61806.
Yes.
Macho.
Check 51.
50 is over. Okay. Then
My lord,
50, we have recorded
I will need some time.
50 along with that. Yes.
Wait. Our brother is submitting that he wants some time for filing affidavit.
Mr.
MK.
M.K. Sarma, Land Council President, the petitioner is present, as paid for by Mr. Ardhar, Land Council for Alice County. Further 3 weeks' time is granted to file affidavit. It's been complied with or what?
My lord, it is the last stage. His entire that period has been regularized on 12/7/26.
No amount has been released, my lord.
So my lord, it will go by steps. So now it will go to the AG. So my lord,
So a date may be fixed, my lord. Meanwhile,
My lord,
so that my learned
after
brother
3
can
weeks, my lord.
report before December.
3 weeks.
Date may be fixed. Oblige you.
Okay. Please, your lordship.
IFO?
Lordship, we have filed this IA. After Lordship, we have filed the writ petition challenging the inter se seniority list, after which certain promotions were conducted in response to the seniority list. Lordship, the seniority list was wrongfully done because Lordship, the controlling authority failed to submit the performance reports to the respondent number 3. That is why the seniority list was wrongfully done. Then subsequently the promotions were done. And Lordship, in the IA, we have challenged 2 more promotions that have taken place subsequent to the filing of the writ petition, Lordship.
So
Lordship, my humble
notice
request.
has been issued.
Yes, Lordship.
Notice has been issued.
No, Lordship. In the IA, notice has not been issued.
Mr. So and so,
As,
Land Council for the petitioner.
as thus.
As thus,
As thus.
by filing this IA, the petitioner has no, what is for this is
Lordship, I am appearing for item.
challenge the subsequent developments as regards the interseniority. The 2011-2023 and promotion order dated 29/12/23 and 20/07/2025. List of issue notice returnable by
I need some time to seek.
4 weeks. You are Mr.
APDCL, S. Sharma, we have a.
As Mr. KP Pathak.
S. Sharma, my lord.
S. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel, APDSL,
Yes.
enters appearance, exchange notice on all the respondents.
Yes, my lord.
No formal notice need be served, have extra copies. Be furnished. No, no. How can you
Not
be-
the private respondent.
1 to 6, yeah? Yes, sir. Registrars to take stage for service, no, for 7, 8, 9, and 10. By speed post, within 2 days, just after 3 weeks, no, 4 weeks.
Well, date may be fixed, Lordship, if possible.
It's okay.
Item number 53, I am referring for respondent number 7.
Who is the respondent number 7?
53, Lordship. Item number.
Huh?
Item number 53. I am for the respondent number 7.
Who is respondent number 7?
7 is the Lordship, the petitioner challenged the promotional order of the respondent number 7.
MS so and so learn concept for the. It's okay, it's listed for IA only.
Much obliged.
Make please, your lordship. I filed an IA for striking out the name of respondent number 9, lordship. Inadvertently, my name was
Okay.
included, lordship.
Heard Mr.
K. Majumdar, lordship.
K. A. Majumdar,
Lordship,
learn
yes.
consent for the petitioner. And also heard MS.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of
Your name, please.
J. Bora,
J. Bora, learn counsel appearing on behalf of Mr.
R. Devi,
R. Devi,
Miss R.
MS R. Devi, learn CJC,
Yes.
CJC. Next para. This application is filed seeking referring for striking of the name of respondent number 9. I, the Assistant Commissioner, Dimara, Co-District, District Kamrup M. From the connected WPC being WPC 74 of 2026. Next para. Having considered that the respondent number 9 in the connected WPC 724, 2026 is not a necessary party. The
First title, lordship.
prayer for striking of the respondent number 7 is allowed, listed accordingly. The name of respondent number 9, so and so and so. I name respondent number, namely so and so, shall stands struck off. I stands allowed and disposed of.
My lord, I have one prayer in the main read petition, lordship. They are not filing any affidavit, lordship.
In
I
read
pray-
petition, Mr.
Lordship, affidavit in opposition
Hard-
is for betting and signature, so we need to wait.
Mr. So and so, in a petitioner, WPC. And spread by MS,
R.
huh?
RDB.
Fred or by MS, your name,
Oh, my name is J. Bora.
J. Bora Land, parcel appearing MS RDB, C, Land CJC. But the 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit. This after 3 weeks.
Date may kindly figure.
Let them file first, 2026.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, may kindly peruse the order dated 27/5, lordship. Pursuant to that order, we have filed one representation.
What representation?
What you, one number 2 was directed to give the details of the place of posting of the official part. We have submitted our representation. But You have submitted, it is received on 10/6, Lordship. Till date, they have not furnished.
My lord, my lord will just see from page number 3 to page number 16. Just my lord have a glance. What they have given, 175 names, only names, my lord. Nothing to support father's name, nothing who they are. We have, by such name, we have maybe at least 50 employees in the PWD. My lord, we have to verify who these people are. This will take years.
There's an order of this court. What can we?
My lord, to file a representation, my lord. They have filed. Now, my lord, we will now go for a search. It will take time, my lord.
Heard Mr.
M. Google, Lordship.
M. Gogoi,
Yes.
Land Council for the Program, who submits that in terms of the order dated 27/05/2026, as per this court, a representation has been filed before the respondent authorities. However, same is yet to be considered. Next para, Mr. Arthur, Land Council for the Standing Council,
PWD. my lord.
PWD, submits that he may be granted some time to obtain instruction. Accordingly, as prayed for, that this method be listed after 4 weeks.
4 weeks, my lord.
Lordship, fix a date, Lordship.
No, my lord,
Because the
These will-
person is going to retire.
these
See,
will take
there are so many persons like
2 years,
M.
my lord.
Gogoi,
This will
there
take
are so many M. Gogoi.
Nothing, they gave us nothing, my
No,
lord.
Lordship, it is as per the list of selected candidates, Lordship, of
Okay.
2003.
Okay, this was therefore 4 weeks.
My lord, this will take time. To track these 175 people, my lord.
56.
Lordship, as per the Lozima court order dated 19/5/26, steps has been completed, Lordship. Service has been completed, Lordship.
Heard Mr.
D. Borua.
D. Borwalan, Council for the where is the office note that Lajima Court's order dated 19/05/2026,
Lordship, I have also
Which-
filed the reply also.
which indicates, huh?
I have also filed, they have filed affidavit in opposition. I have also filed reply, but reply was not in the part of the record, Lordship. There is- Reply to- No, reply to opposition.
Which reflect that the service in respect of response number 7 is complete. In way of services complete. List for admission after 4 weeks.
Definitely, it's okay.
I am
MS,
for S. Borua.
as well as State Council,
1, 2, 3.
State Council,
This is it.
CJC, and MS, DD Burman, Land State Council are present.
Wait, Lordship.
4 weeks, give the full, give the date. IA is for what?
They have filed the IA, my lord.
For what?
For modification or recalling of the order dated 29/4/20.
Have you filed the objection? You want to file out any objection?
Objection has been filed, my lord. I filed the objection, my lord. Objection
Huh?
filed on,
Who has filed this IA?
I filed by the director.
Director Elementary Education.
Why?
For recalling or modification of the order dated.
Why it should be recalled?
To allow us to file the additional affidavit to bring some necessary
You
record.
bring out it record until that time, how can we vacate that? Where is the order? Where is the order?
Page 13 of the IA, my lord.
13,
Page 13, lord, will find.
1-3.
49. I let it go. After this.
What is the ground?
Lordship, kindly take this matter after some time. B. Kaushik will appear in this matter. Actually, this IA was filed by B. Kaushik. He is on court number 9. After some time.
What, Mr. MS?
B. Deka.
Be the learned counsel for the applicant.
Maybe on Thursday, my lord.
And also Mr.
That's not.
That's not learned counsel for the respondent with petition is read for by the learned counsel for the parties. Let this matter be listed at on
I'm for the BTC, my lord.
20.
I'm preparing for the BTC.
You record his name also.
BC Musahar.
BC Musahar. 20.
Lordship. Obliged.
There is a direction that if it is not complied, there will sumoto.
Lord.
Sumoto contempt will be initiated.
May I please, Lordship, my lord, this petition is filed by petitioner for correctional direction to the respondent for correcting date of joining, my lord.
Huh?
Earlier read petition was filed by the petitioner in 2018, my lord. That
Yes.
petition, that petition was disposed in on your lordship 27/6/2022. As per direction of this court, so the petitioner grievance was verified by the respondent authority. So there they found that the date of joining is wrongly recorded, my lord. So I filed this IA for correction of the recording of correct date of joining of the petitioner.
Which date of joining? Oh,
My lord,
by which order?
Order dated, your lordship.
Order of this court?
Order of this court is on annexure A preface.
No, which order, which that thing has to be corrected? In the order?
No order is, I have not annexed any order, your lordship. So when verification was done, I found that my date of joining is wrongly recorded. So my lord,
You challenge that? How can there be IA?
My lord, I may be allowed to file additional affidavit.
You file a writ petition. There is a direction. Court has directed what? In matters taken up to publish statement that except for the payment of bills under proceedings. Where is the direction?
Direction is not, my lord, that writ petition is for getting financial assistance to the casual workers who joined prior to 1/9/2005, my lord.
Yes,
So,
then
I filed this writ petition and court has directed to submit the documents if
where
found
it is? Where is the direction?
I have not annexed, my lord. I have only annexed the order, your lordship. So I may be allowed to file additional, my lord. I have.
What additional? This IA is for what? To admit the and the parties to pass the note directing response to correct the date of joining of the applicant as to in place of 25/9. And or the this correction is to be made by whom?
By respondent authority, my lord.
Then why IA is there?
My lord, already writ petition, was disposed, my lord. On the light of this writ petition, they are starting verification, my lord.
So
when verification was done.
what is the direction of this court? And earlier writ petition.
Earlier writ petition, my lord, I have only annexed the order, your lordship. That is on page 22, my lord.
Saying what?
Saying, my lord, respondent authorities for payment of financial benefits as provided as per judgment or dated 8/6/2000 in AWA 48/2014. Respond when the matter.
You said in your writ petition there is a direction to verify your date of birth.
Date of joining. Your
date of joining, Then where is that direction?
That direction I do not have.
Then why this IA? How can we direct on in the IA to correct your date of joining? From where you are saying that it should be 29/5?
No, my lord, I may be allowed to file additional.
No additional. IA is not maintainable. You may file a fresh writ petition. Heard, Mister?
As does.
Huh?
As does.
As does land council for deputy who submits that he may be allowed to do this IA with the liberty to file appropriate application if so advised. Mister?
A.K. Ghosh on
A.K. Ghosh, land council appearing
behalf of Mr. Kumar.
uh,
On behalf of the PNID department also.
is present. Next para. According to the petition. No, the prayer for withdrawal is accepted. Accordingly, the IA stands dismiss or withdrawal with liberty to file afresh as may be permissible under the law.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
With respect to IA civil number 2722, your lordship, this interlocutory application has been filed, your lordship, for amending the cost title with respect to respondent number 5. If your lordship has a perusal at page number
Who
4,
is
your
for the
lordship.
respondent?
The respondent number 5 is the private respondent, your
With
lordship.
IA. Give me the IA.
And your lordship, the respondent number 4 is now being posted, your lordship, at Noklak, Nagaland, your lordship. So, your lordship, as per the order dated 13/7/2022/6, your lordship, I may be allowed to, your lordship, amend the cost title in the writ petition, your lordship.
Where is that order?
Your lordship may find it in the main writ petition, your lordship.
Why you have not annexed it? You could have annexed it for
Yes, your lordship.
convenient.
My apologies, your lordship.
What is this? Minister file amending the cost title.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes. Heard, Mister?
DS Deca, your lordship.
DS.
Deca.
Land counsel for the applicant and also, and as well as Miss
Hearing for respondent number 1 to 4.
MS
RDB.
RDB land CJC for respondent 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next para. This application is filed seeking amendment of the cost title by correcting the address of the respondent number 5 in the connected WPC 2488 of 2024. It is the submissions of land concept of the petition applicant that the address of the respondent number 5 has been inadvertently mentioned in the writ petition. List of therefore, he may be allowed to correct the proper address in respect of respondent number 4 by allowing by filing the amended cost title list of having considered that the petition appears to have inadvertently mentioned the address of the mentioned the inadvertently given the mentioned the incorrect address of the respondent number 5, I deem it appropriate all of this application. Accordingly, the application stands allowed. No, accordingly, the petitioner is allowed to correct the allowed to place the correct address of the petitioner by filing the amended cost title. Rest of IA stands allowed in this point of next para in IA in writ petition in view of the order passed in so and so and so. Petitioners to file an amended cost title. By filing the correct address of the respondent number 5. Registry to do the needful. Notice has to be sent.
Pardon, your lordship?
Notice has to be sent.
Yes, your lordship.
According the notice be issued thereafter. Petitioners to take steps.
Your lordship, I have a prayer, your lordship. With respect to respondent number 2, your lordship,
May I be allowed also to take steps upon him through which your lordship respondent number 5 may be served a copy of the notice, your lordship, because respondent number 2 is the presiding officer, your lordship. So if that observation be there, your lordship.
It's okay, you first take by registered post. Because you are providing the correct address now.
Yes, your lordship, but your lordship, since he's a armed personnel, your lordship,
It's
serving.
okay, we'll see on next date.
Yes, your lordship.
Hmm.
That's why date will be fixed. Your lordship.
After 4 weeks.
Much obliged, your lordship.
480, 60 and 61.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship will kindly peruse the order dated 2/12/2025.
212.
That's by this honorable court, your lord.
That is the last effective order.
I have
212. 712 or 212?
2/12, your lord.
I was directed, I have received.
Copy এটা আমাকে দিয়া
Instruction from us.
There is no 212 order. I think
2nd of December 25.
Vacancy is there, Lord.
Justice Soumitra Saikia has given the order.
in WPC, there are two
Oh,
requests.
Lord,
There are two requests, madam.
I think it is passed in 659.
Yes, 61. First is for what? First writ
No,
petition.
first, initially we have filed because there was a person transferred in my place, in the post of ETO, inspector post. But we challenged that, and that was, there was a stay order passed by the honorable court, so that remained. Subsequently, your lordship, we have now claimed for the promotion to that post. So that, in that case, your lordship, this order was passed by the honorable court. This was a lengthy order. This is Assistant Tourism Information Officer, the petitioner is presently working. And the promoted post is Tourism Information Officer. So whatever order is passed in this case will merge with the earlier.
Yes.
That instruction has to be placed, whether the vacancy is in status, so to place one.
As per this instruction, vacancy is there.
Huh.
As tourism development officer. Earlier, name was there, tourism information officer. Now nomenclature as tourism development officer.
It's a promotional post of assistant tourism officer.
No, now it is to be tourism development officer. The re-nomenclature, the name has been changed.
No, no, it should be promoted from assistant tourism development officer. Is it so?
Yes.
So initially what was there was that up to assistant tourism officer, the transfer was, the promotion was made by the BTC. Now what has happened for the next post, that is tourism development officer, it has to be through the APS. So there's, her name has to come into the gradation list of the state, which is our claim. Now they say, this, the state says that no, since this was appointed by the BTC, otherwise she is otherwise eligible. She requires 5 years service. She is already 11 years in that particular post. Her name has already been forwarded for promotion, but the APSC part has not been done and she was not promoted. That is the reason. Now the issue is that who will promote? State government or the BTC? That is where we are still stuck. And because of that, the person who is otherwise the senior most has not been promoted. This is the issue. Now BTC says that in the rule says that beyond grade 2 and beyond posts, that is grade 1, grade 2 posts have to be done by through the APSC, and that has to be through the state government because APSC comes under the Assam state and BTC does not have power to do that. And now they say, no, since you are appointed under by the BTC, those posts have been retained by the BTC and already sanctioned by the government. It is you can transfer. So that little issue of APSC now is in between her and the transfer and the promotion. That is the issue. Now, there was an issue whether the post is still there or not. Now that has also come up that it's still there and the post is vacant. Now only promotion has to be made. Who will make the promotion? That you
And how will it make? Unless you are in the zone of consideration, when you are in the
that is the reason
seniority
we have
list.
come by this.
Yes, so how according to why they are entitled?
Otherwise I am eligible because my name has already.
Eligible is one thing, but
Yes.
then how you will be, since you have been appointed
Yes.
by the BTC,
Yes.
how the state will have include your name in the seniority list?
Because
in such a circumstance, what is the way out?
that is where we are, your lordship. We have not got the way out. Neither the state nor the BTC have found any, and I am stuck. That is the reason. They have already written to the state. This person has to be promoted. She is otherwise eligible. Put her name in the gradation list, promote her. They say, no, since you have appointed her, we cannot do that. That is a legal issue which has come up and this person is suffering. That is the issue.
So
I have nothing to say.
No,
If I am otherwise eligible, I'll be promoted.
No,
But why my promotion has been deprived?
No, it's okay. Promotion is one thing, but then according to you, why you say that you should be promoted? When the rule for promotion doesn't applicable to you,
yes,
how can you be promoted?
I'm saying that because the BTC does not have their own rules. They follow the Assam government. The Assam government, the posts are not a BTC's post. These posts are sanctioned by the Assam government. They have sanctioned these posts that these 1, 2, 3, 4 from the peon up to the post of director. These posts are sanctioned for the BTC to appoint. BTC appointed. All these posts were filled up. Then persons retired and all. And now what happened? In my post, I am the assistant tourism development officer. My next post is tourism development officer. Here the issue comes grade 3 to grade 2. Now grade 3 to grade 2, there is in the rules itself, it says that it has come through the sanction should be from the APSC. APSC has to select. If that being so, that when I otherwise got eligible for promotion, BTC wrote that she is the person who is to be promoted to the next post. So you select her by the APSC. They have raised their hands. No. This is your appointment. How can we do it? But the appointment was initially done as per the rules, which was followed by the rules. They don't have their own rules. They follow the Assam government. That is also there in.
Now, under these circumstances, we have not come to a position. Yes, if the government says that, yes, BTC, you promote, it is your post, we have already sanctioned it, they could have promoted. That is also not being done. So this is stuck. That is, your lordship will see the order clearly reflects the earlier order. That is the only instance where this whole promotion got stuck up. And because of this, initially with the earlier case, when earlier case was filed by me, because the other post which was there in the BTC, that post was tried to be filled up by the state government in the tourism development officer when I came before this honorable court, and then that selection process, the promotion process was stayed by this. So that part goes. Now we are not on that. But if this case is decided whichever way, it will, the other case will be covered by that, other matter will be covered. So what happens now, how we are going to go into that? Now question is, if we have selected under the post, and even the salaries are paid by the finance department, Government of Assam. So everything is done by the Assam state. Now only my part is, if they direct that, yes, you go and promote her to the next post, we have no problem. There is no issue at all because they are not against me. They have already forwarded my name, the BTC. Now state is not promoting. Now what to do? State says that no, that is your lookout, you have to promote. They say no, because APSC's approval is required, you change that. In earlier one case, your lordship, which I have also annexed in this writ petition, it was with regard to the education department of the same BTC. There, your lordship, a particular post was with the BTC, but in order to get to the next promoted post, it will have to be caderized. So then in that case, your lordship, they have made a cadre wherein they brought in the BTC along with the state government in a particular same cadre. There was a direction by the interim direction by that court. So that is where we could do. Either you put it and cadre it or caderized it within the same cadre, or either of them can promote. This is the issue. But there, the only thorn is that APSC part. If that goes, everything will be correct. I think my learned friend will also agree to that. Because we, on that occasion, we also submitted that we do not have any objection to the promotion, but that is the issue.
There are two writ petitions. In the first writ petition of 2022, it is 5568. My lord, there was an order because the petitioner before lordship is working within the BTC, my lord, which is the 6th scheduled area. Now, she has initially filed the first writ petition saying that some promotion process is going on. But I am not considered because
prominent process by state, not by BTC.
No.
Yes, she says that although I am holding the post of the feeder cadre, this is assistant tourism development officer, I am not being considered for promotion to the post of tourism development officer, which is the promotional post.
Being the senior most.
In the first petition, there was an interim order on 5/9/2022 saying that no promotion process should be initiated for filling up the post of tourist information officer from the post of assistant tourism information officer till the next date, and that continued. And in the meantime, my lord, this is important, she filed a representation. That representation should be decided. Now, thereafter, my lord, during the pendency of the first writ petition, a gradation list was prepared, and in the gradation list, her name was not there. Then she changed the gradation list in the second writ petition.
This writ petition.
Second writ petition. Now, during the pendency of the second writ petition, my lord, the representative which she filed, and there was a direction to dispose of, that has been disposed of. That will throw some light, my lord, which your lordship will find as a running page 193, which will be an affidavit in opposition in WPC 659, my lord. WPC 659.
Second writ petition.
Yes, my lord. And there the whole page, running page 193, my lord.
193.
while disposing of the her representation.
Speaking order.
Speaking order, yes, ma'am. Somehow, my lord, this is not under challenge also. Anyway, it's a order of 7th of March 2024. It reads like this, my lord. Whereas Srimati Bhomarani Borgoyari, Assistant Tourist Information, now Assistant Tourism Development Officer, Tourism Department BTC Kokrajhar had submitted a prayer petition to the undersigned in connection with inclusion of her name in the provisional state gradation list of Assistant Tourist Information Officer, now Assistant Tourist Development Officer, published by order number so-and-so dated 9th of March 2022. Whereas her name was not included in the said provisional state gradation list of Assistant Tourist Information Officer, now Assistant Tourism Development Officer, as she falls under the Assistant Tourist Information Officer cadre of Tourism Department BTC Kokrajhar, as appointed by Director cum CHD Tourist Department BTC. Whereas her said petition has been forwarded to the Tourist Department Government of Assam, Administrative Department Dispur, seeking necessary instruction regarding the inclusion of her name in the state gradation list of Assistant Tourist Information Officer, now Assistant Tourism Development Officer, sir. Whereas Tourism Department Government of Assam, Administrative Department Dispur has submitted their views in connection with the inclusion of her name in the state gradation list by letter number so dated 27th of February 2024, according to which her name cannot be included in the state gradation list as amalgamation of two separate cadres is not permissible. Hence, her name cannot be included in the state gradation list of Assistant Tourist Information Officer. And with this decision, the petition of Srimati so-and-so, Assistant Tourist Information Officer, Tourism Department BTC Kokrajhar dated so-and-so, in connection with the inclusion of her name in the provisional state gradation list of Assistant Tourist Information Officer, is disposed of.
If your lordship hears the matter today, then I'll have to argue it from the very beginning. So since I don't know whether. Now, then I have to show all these instances where the whole issue has been. I've just pointed out these other because he has submitted the instructions thus today. Even the copy was not given to me. Anyway, whatever instructions, that is in our favor.
One aspect may be of some significance. Initial writ petition, two writ petitions were filed in a situation where her name is not included in the state gradation list of the feeder rank. That was the whole purpose, was to get a promotion which fell vacant in the state cadre. Now,
Not in the state cadre, it is in the general BTC cadre.
BTC cadre. Now, BTC says that post is available. Now, what will happen? Well, my submission will be, let them bring this instruction on record, and your lordship will fix a date. In the meantime, will come to it.
Because
your lordship, the post is available in BTC. How it is filled up?
I will take this.
No, not instruction. Tell us today. We are hearing. If you have the post, you must know how it is to be filled up. Isn't it? Or how it is filled up.
Yes.
No, as per the rules, let him submit, otherwise it's there on the record. Anyway, let him submit.
No, rules in the sense, which rule? You don't have a separate rule.
Yes.
The rule, the state rule will regulate the appointment.
No, yes, state rule is being followed by the BTC.
That
is there.
Possibly my learned friend has been newly engaged. He was not there earlier. He doesn't have the papers also.
Today I am not in a position.
Because even if he's in the post, in the grade of Assistant Tourism Development Officer, if it's not a state cadre, right? Maybe a BTC cadre, a separate cadre.
Yes, separate. That is our
Then now, if the post has to be filled up,
how it is to be
higher in the higher if the
promotional post.
Promotional post, of the BTC, and if the rules require that if it is to be recommended by the APC, APPSC, and the rules of the state is being followed by BTC, in that case, she or he may not be necessarily a state cadre in the Peter grade, but their post in the higher post would be a BTC cadre only.
No, that is why.
Only the formalities would be done, maintained, that they'll recommend as per the rules, the post will be recommended to the, I mean, requisition will send to the APPSC. APC will do the, I mean, selection or whatever, and accordingly recommended.
That is what they have done.
That is what I try to understand. If the, if it is the
rule is
The rule is to be.
if the
As per
rule
the
is being
rules.
followed, the state rule is being followed by the BTC until the time they have their own rules. As of now, they have not made any rule.
They don't
No.
separate rule, they know it.
Now, let us not, I mean, in that case, let us not go into whether this is cadre post, not cadre, or state cadre or BTC cadre.
No, BTC cadre it is there, just for.
No, that's what I'm saying.
page
It may be
35.
BTC cadre.
Yes,
But
page
what they're
35.
saying, if it is not state cadre, how can your name be included in the gradation list of this thing, state,
That is why your rules.
state cadre? In
rules-
that case, they may be correct.
So
Now,
the rules have.
now there's no dispute that you are from BTC cadre and they have a state cadre differently. Maybe a same post.
Yes.
Now, issue is to be for the higher promotion.
Yes.
So state has decided to fill up some post. Is not it?
Yes.
In a higher promotional post.
Yes.
So you are agreed by that your name has been, no, you have not been considered.
Yes.
Now,
What
if
happened-
they say that a post is post is available in the BTC,
Yes.
there is separate, it is for tourism development officer. What would be the then? It is a state cadre or a BTC cadre? High promotional post.
Now that is the problem here, your lordship.
No, simply saying that post is available will not do. How it is, how it is filled up, they must tell us.
That has to be.
If
that
they
has to
wrongly,
be-
if they don't follow the rules, then we may interpret. Otherwise, simply you have the post and you cannot say that "Okay, we don't know how to fill it up. That will be, I mean, kind of absurd thing for the state
that
or
is
the
also-
BTC. Is not it?
Your lordship is
So
correct.
this is actually.
So
the
I
pro-
think let us not go into the dispute as regards the cadres state or BTC cadre of this present post. Now you are concerned about the promotional post that you should be promoted.
And how it is to be filled up.
That is the question. Now,
So
if
now
they
I
say
think
that they are-
privacy, sir, according to, I mean, I have not gone through, I mean, entire thing, but
Yeah,
then
even I have not.
if it is admitted position that the rules of the state are being followed by the BTC, is not it?
Minor.
For recruitment and all this thing, I think if the requirement is for fill up through the APPSC, then they can send it to the APPSC for requisition can be sent by BTC. Then as per the rules of the state, recruitment rule of the state, the APPSC can consider and recommend it. Why?
Then there will be only, there is only
You are
one
not,
post.
no, why no, you are not claiming for the another
What
thing
we
would
have
be the
seen-
availability post is obviously if the BTC said so, it would be BTC cadre only.
That is why, your lordship, we have claimed. At
So-
page 50, they said that no, we cannot do you. We have to, and they have sent to the state government, page 50, 50.
50.
50. This was also done. Hey, read petition. তাতে দিয়া আছে। Now BTC says different, that is. the pro-
BTC has appointed Sri so-and-so
Page 50.
assistant in tourism as vacant post of government sanction order so-and-so. This is done through proper selection of executive central selection board approval of BTC has been rendering her service so-and-so in proposed of ATO. Director comes ESD tourism departments. Proposal for promotion of
Yes.
existing assistant so-and-so to tourist informational force under as the matters out of BTC competent for promoting grade 3 to gazetted post. The undersigned is required to forward in the
Here lies the problem, my lord.
This is where everything
Gets
created
stuck.
the issue.
with the 11 documents for inclusion. Then what is your reply?
Reply this already, my learned
In the
friend has read
speaking order,
that.
lordship,
That is,
stand has been taken, that cadre is, state cadre is different, BTC cadre is different.
Therefore, you cannot include. So until unless she is included,
Yes.
there is no question of promotion. So that's what I'm saying. If it's a different cadre, BTC has a
Your lordship
different.
is absolutely correct.
different
How
cadre.
this post will be filled up in that manner?
So
That is relevant.
if it is not dispute that there are two separate cadres,
Yes.
so they cannot be amalgamated or they cannot have a one seniority, I mean,
Yes.
same graduation list. She cannot be included. But to fill up the post in the higher cadre, I mean, higher grade
To the APSC.
in the BTC, not the state.
yes.
State, you can promote anyone from your own cadre, is not it?
Exactly.
Is it a position, I mean, admitted position that they have a separate cadre? What about the tourism development officer cadre? Is a state cadre or is a BTC cadre?
It is actually, there is, one more thing is there, that is the problem. The whole cadre has been shown as a single cadre in the rules.
Okay.
Then that is also there. I'm
No.
finding it out just.
No, obviously, rules may say it's a state rule only.
Yes, and these posts are also.
They have not
included there.
visualized that about your BTC. Only BTC say it's a transparent subject. Then they say that it should be as per the rules of the state government. Until the time they make their own rule, is not it?
That is there. That is.
So simple, you go with the rules of the state and fill it up. Why to fight over the cadres? And when there is no
fighting rules.
you cannot be included.
I am suffering for that.
No, it's okay, but you cannot be included in state cadre.
If I'm.
It's not a cadre, is not it?
No, they are pushing me to the state. State
See,
is pushing me to
actually, BTC wants that for promotion,
the- Yes.
first you should be included in the gradation list of the assistant tourism officer, I mean,
Yes.
officer. Now they said you cannot be included because you are not a state cadre.
There is the problem is that with regard to grade 3 and grade 2. Now, up to grade 3, as per their rules, that is with regard to the memorandum of understanding with the state government and the BTC, that I'll bring today, I'll bring on record, or I'll show it to you. There is a catch. That catch is that up to grade 3, 3 and 4, the lower cadres, the BTC will make appointment. But the promotions and appointments beyond that will be done by the state. So they have taken that clue that no, since it is in grade 2, now I'll be promoted from 3. That is why they say it is out of BTC and it is by the state government. So that is where they are taking it.
Then state?
That is?
State, what is state of the state?
That they say, the BTC say that since you
No,
are.
that I understood. State?
No, state with that regard, I don't think they have made any affidavit. They have not stated anything in the.
No, instead they are saying that since you are
separate cadre.
You are in a separate cadre. Therefore, your name cannot be included. Therefore, there is no question of considering for promotion. That is what they are saying.
That is that they are saying.
Excuse me for a moment, and the matter is being called. Just come back.
Let us have it some other.
Yes.
Then we'll hear your lordship. We have to go through everything.
And
Let him
bring
bring this on record. That is already
Some other day.
Then it will be, at least we can hear, your lordship can hear the matter. Actually, today we are doing it in a piecemeal manner.
No, I want to go for shortcut to grant you a relief.
Yes, then we can.
Why should
No,
go
I'm
into,
not going on that. My
no, why we go into that which is not required?
Then your lordship can, if this can be decided.
But we call it will not,
It's okay.
will
Your
not
lord-
venture into uncharted ocean.
Why I'm saying that, because your lordship, my learned friend is not able to say how they will do it. That is the reason I'm saying.
Okay.
That
Okay,
is
then we'll, Mr. Majumdar, we'll adjourn this.
we put it on for Thursday or next Tuesday.
Ah,
Since your lordship has heard the matter, let it be in a short date, let him get the instructions. We can, your lordship can
no,
find.
instruction will not be sufficient. I think he has to bring on record by filing affidavit,
What he will bring you,
black and white.
how the process will be done. That
Or
if
you
it-
submit the written, you get the written instructions.
Lordship, in this
I think
case,
same thing will come from BTC. State too also need to
If it-
clarify.
in that case, what can be done, your lordship?
Because what I have seen is
Hmm.
you are still stuck to the post of assistant tourist
Tourism
development officer.
Yes,
You have not gone beyond that.
not dear. And
Just because state affidavit appears to be that, the state appears to be, since you are not our cadre,
Hmm.
you cannot be included. Therefore, consequently, you cannot be considered for promotion.
Hmm.
That cannot be. Because there's this thing that until the rule is framed, state rule will be followed for filling up. The state rule says it is to be recommended by
by
the.
the APS.
Let him bring this document on record, your lordship will take the call on the name. I'm just.
It's okay.
Lordship, in this case, may I please, say, Lordship, in this case, I am for the respondent number 10,
Ah.
respondent.
Ah.
Lordship, matter may be fixed in short date, Lordship.
Why?
Because there is an urgency. I am the impleader in this case.
You are private respondent. You are state cadre.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship,
When you were appointed as a assistant development tourism development officer. Anyway, we're not taking up disposing of today. But we'll keep it part heart.
Yes, because what happened, let him bring that on record. Lordship will decide on that.
Heard,
In the
Mr.
meanwhile, I'll also try to point out if
You
get
just
the rules and everything.
we're not going there. See, what prime facie I found is that, am I clear? Am I clear?
Absolutely correct. So
Because you, just for promotion, if you are not a state cadre, you cannot insist that I should be in that cadre.
I have,
No.
because of them.
Now they say that
Hmm.
the post is there. Just because beyond grade 2, they don't have the authority to fill up.
Yes, exactly.
Now, if the post is available with the BTC, which has to be filled up by state, in terms of the rules, I don't see any hurdles there. But hurdles is that, as of now, I don't know. That's why I have indicated the state. Hurdles is that since you are the BTC cadre, not the state cadre, therefore your name cannot be included. Therefore, how can we promote you? How we consider for promotion in the higher cadre?
Exactly.
Until you come to us. You are the state cadre. So going without you not insisting.
There are two options as such.
Where you not being insistent of putting you in the cadre or the seniority list. If the post is available in the BTC, which is to be filled up by state, then that rule can be followed and requisition can be sent to the Public Service Commission.
That is, nobody is doing that. If there has to be your lordship pass an order, then they will do it. They are saying, they are putting it before your lord. Both
So
state.
next that you just clarify the how, which rule
Yes.
and where it is clearly as given that either in MOU that the rules of the state will until the time it is somewhere I have
MOU
read
I
it.
don't have, I'll get it on the
Yes,
next.
I have seen somewhere.
Rules are there. I'll show them.
No, I have seen somewhere that until the BTC makes their own rule, the rules of the state will be followed. That things you just indicate.
In fact, in page 35, these 5 posts, 5 or 6 posts have been created by the state government for the BTC. That is also a catch. Because if that is created for them,
why not? Why cannot be included in your in the state cadre?
For a moment, page 35.
Yes, I've seen that.
Page 35, Director of Tourism, Tourist Information Officer, Assistant Tourist Information Officer, so Senior Assistant, Junior Assistant, Peon, all these.
No, I've seen that. That much I've seen.
Yes.
Yes.
And
Okay,
that post.
to
will-
make it clear, more clear and I mean, lucid.
Yes, I'll try to do that. Today, actually, I thought he's also got the instructions today. We
Okay.
do not have a copy further. Your Lordship, my learned senior friend, he
It's
was.
okay.
So I thought
Although-
we just place the matter.
Although she expresses urgency because she is
She's
eagerly
also stuck.
waiting for,
We are also
Sure.
stuck, they are also stuck.
but then I think it would not be until
Yes, if,
the things are very, very clear, it will be difficult
Yes.
to, I mean,
so that is why
determine the matter.
Lordship may keep it as part her. Fix a date, on that day we will finalize it.
Heard Mr. Y.S. Manna, learned counsel for the petitioners. Petitioner. And also had Mr. D. Majumdar, learned senior counsel, additional advocate general for the
Time date to তুমি কোৱা গৈছে।
state respondents,
তুমি না দিব পাৰিবা।
Mr. and MS, as well as Mr.
কৰা।
Who else are there?
Lordship,
I'm for the
I'll record your name.
PC Musahari.
H Devi Lordship.
Ah, I,
Respondent number,
your name, please.
H Devi.
HDB, Learned Council for Respondents. APPSC,
for Monday.
APSC. Your role will be also required. Have you filed the affidavit? Get the written instruction. Huh? APSC. And you are Mr.?
PC Musahari, my
No, no. Are you appearing for somebody?
তেওঁ
Okay, okay. Yes. Next para. And
Lordship may fix
Persuade
it
to the-
on a hearing day, then it will be better.
order of this court, dated 02/12/2025. Mr. BC,
মাতিছে।
DC Musari, learned, BC Musari, learned counsel for the, learned standing counsel BTC, submits that the, how many posts there are or there is? Huh?
Only one post, my lord,
Ah.
serial number one.
One post, এইটোতো
The-
state of. State of
submits that
আমাৰ BTC কথা BTC কথা।
there is one tourist, yes,
লাগে না,
there is a vacancy
হে,
of one
আমাৰ হেৰি কোনটাত আছে?
post of tourist development officer
আমি date টো fix কৰিম, খালি
available
মই-
under the,
date টো-
under the BTC,
Yes,
under the BTC list of
instruction to dean বিলাকে photo copy distribution
having heard the learned council at some length, this court noticed that if the post of noticed that the primary issue appears to be for filling up the post of district tourism,
No, tourism development
information, tourism development officer
now renamed, it is tourism development.
On promotion.
on promotion from the post of
Assistant-
assistant tourism
Assistant
development officer. Of
কি হলো, ইমান কাম?
the through APPSC, APPSC.
APS, Assam Public Service.
I am from Arunachal, therefore always APPSC.
Assam Public Service.
Assam Public Service Commission. List of the BTC perhaps having been now recruitment rules of its own for filling up the post of tourism development officer, would be regulated by the recruitment rule of state recruitment rules framed by the state, which requires that such posts shall be filled up.
That rules are Assam Tourism Service Rules 1992.
Recruitment, that is science, huh? the
Assam
Assam
Tourism Service
Tourism
Rules
Service Rules
1992.
1992.
That has been subsequently
Mr.
amended in 2023. As amended
The-
later.
BTC having no authority to fill up the post of tourism development officer has recommended name of the petitioner to the state government for inclusion of her name in the gradation list of assistant tourism development. Is inclusion of gradation list of the
Assistant
assistant
Tourism
tourism development
Development
officer of the state.
State cadre.
State cadre of the state, in the state
In
cadre.
the state.
No, no, of the state cadre. List of, it is, no, will not comment now.
Yes,
Will not
that
comment.
will be better.
It be above, no, it is also the stand of the state that since the petitioner has been appointed in the BTC cadre and not the not by the state, comma, her name cannot be included in the gradation list of the state cadre list of considered above. It would be appropriate for the respondents BTC as well as the state of Assam to place on record the instruction to obtain instruction as to how the post of tourism development officer is to be filled up by a promotion in the event of a decision, even in the event it is required to be filled up either fill up to the BTC cadre, list of. I think that this.
That Lordship will not put it
No,
PTC
my lord,
cadre
there will
because
be little, just
problem.
clarify, my lord.
I need to
We,
clarify
the
this.
state, my lord, APSC recommended. We,
That
our
is-
post is from APSC,
That is-
and
yes,
that
sir.
is only from BTC by themselves.
No, that is not permissible.
Yes, my lord.
Beyond this, the grade three, this is not permissible.
But that is why your
They have no
Lordship,
authority.
that BTC cadre for
Therefore,
develop, that Lordship may not put cadre for BTC, under the BTC. That
Under
will
the
be-
BTC, huh?
Yes,
Under the BTC.
that will be better.
I think APSC also can
Yes, yes,
throw a
yes,
light
this is
on
the
it.
necessary
Yes, if
part.
they possible, they can also.
Throw a light. It is also directed the respondent APSC to obtain a instruction. No, to clarify how is under such circumstances the posts are filled up. Under similar circumstances, how the posts are filled, how the posts in the BTC are being filled up. APPSC. I'll just correct. That this, since the matter has been heard at length, comma, same cell matters are being, have been heard at length, same cell remain part heard. List after 3 weeks.
Lordship may fix it on a hearing day if possible.
On any hearing date.
27, it will be the convenient.
Not after 20, after 1st of September. After this week, another 2 weeks, I will be away.
Okay, then your Lordship, if it is there on 2nd of September,
September,
second is it's a Tuesday.
Second is Wednesday.
Oh, Wednesday need. Third of September.
make it 3rd. In case,
Lordship.
if I am not,
Then
if I am not
obviously it
given the
becomes
same
some
bench
other-
also, since it is a.
Come to your lordship because part heart.
Okay. That's all. Little interesting.
Very. It has gone through 2, 3 honorable justices, and it was always very interesting. Everybody has to go back and think about it.
That this time we'll,
Yes, yes.
on
yes.
third,
I have
on
that
third
confidence.
we'll complete the hearing at least.
Confidence. একো হিয়াৰিং হোৱা নাই আমি দেখোন কথাখিনি পাতি পেলাই ফিক্স কৰি আছো তেওঁ মানে শুনি লৈছে জানিবৰ কাৰণে নাই ইয়াৰ কথাটো হৈছে যে ইহঁতক তাহাঁতক দিয় কিন্তু মাজত কৰি দিলে কি ইহঁতে যে লিখি দিলে APSC দিব লাগে ইয়াৰ চিলেকশ্যন তাত ই ছেপাৰেট কৰি পেলাই মষ্ট প্ৰবেবলি ছেপাৰেট কৰি দুটা কৰে তেওঁলোকৰ আপোনাৰ সেইফালে হৈ থাকিব য'ত দি থাকিব আমাৰ ইয়াত হৈ থাকিব আমাৰতো ভাই প্ৰমোচনে লাগে কি দৰকাৰ সি তাক খেলিব সি তাক খেলিব সি তাক আমি নাই এওঁৰ প্ৰমোচন আছে নাই মোৰ কি হ'ল ইয়াৰ চব আছে কিয়